Are we Gucci? Are we Gucci? We're not. We're not. We're not. We're not. We're not. We're not. Okay. We need to get some food ASAP. This boy is starving up the shower. Okay. I mean, nothing's really changed since yesterday, right? I think we got up what, around here. Yeah, I ended up pulling back down, back towards value area high. Never quite got the top down there. Left behind the poor low. Then we end up coming to tapping this negative point of control, right? Where our TP was. Going lower, so I mean, people I'm sure entertain that short. And here we are, still sitting here, right? Kind of building a value higher and higher slowly. So in terms of trades, not a whole lot has changed. Yeah, ETH is kind of sending today, but ETH was the one that we didn't get into, right? Out of the ETH bid and soul things, limits. So missing out on this dying. Boom, 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 boom. Anyways, yeah, let's just get the rest of our data set up and see what's going on here. But yeah, I mean, not a whole lot has really changed since yesterday, right? It's kind of basically flat. $700. Boom, 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 boom. Also, curious to recap some of the traditional market closes today. I was looking at all the tickers in the gym, but I didn't actually look at all the charts. So definitely need to give those a glance. What are we doing over here? Oh yeah. Man, this year is flying by. Like FOMC is gonna be here in the blink of an eye, right? Goddamn. Or a month away. I just gonna feel like it's here tomorrow. Goddamn. Goddamn. Boom, 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 boom. Goddamn. And we need to update our levels as well. Should probably do that. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. But where were we? Where were we? Boom, 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 boom. I wish this would just stay open. Why does it always do that? Guy says, "What's going on, big guy?" Not a whole lot. Chillin'. Getting caught up on things that we missed while eating dinner. What's going on with you? Oh yeah. Boom, 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 boom. What I wear the hoodie? Because it's more comfortable for headphones, plus keeps them like a lot cleaner. Boom, 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 boom. But it's just comfortable being in a hoodie at home, right? Chillin'. In pajamas 24/7. If I pulled that off, would it hurt? Would it hurt? No, why would it hurt? Boom, 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 boom.
No strategy, that's just noise. Back this week, you just a voice. I run that semi ride with poise. You trade regret, I trade with choice. The math is the math. Don't care how you feel, just run the stat. You pray for pumps, I plan the path, you scalp that wick. The math is the math. Your edge ain't real, that wrist too flat. I don't chase green, I stacked in dash, I said it before. And now you got smashed. Proper wrist to find you, guess the move, I read the sign. Your trade's a wish, mine's designed. I run the stats, then press rewind. A whole month, when I trade you drop 10K, I just get paid, you scalp the heat. I shade that flame, you hope for more. I built the game, gamma stack.
I'm setting you off to say it'd be extremely painful, at which point I'd reply for you.
It's not emotion, it's not hype, it's numbers. You lost because you never knew what you were even doing.
Sure. Can't say I'm following along with that one, but sure, sure. I think the joke's going over my head. Maybe it's not even a joke, I don't know. Maybe I'm just misunderstanding something. Most likely. It's okay though, because we'll get this data in our brain in the meantime. I can't believe you don't know what Bane posting is. It's fun. Bane posting. Oh, it has to do with this scene from this fucking airplane in the movie, the Batman movie.
He wasn't alone. You don't get to bring friends.
No, not my friends.
Don't worry. No choice for them.
And why would I want them?
They were trying to grab your prize. They work for the mercenary. The Mask of the Man.
Bane.
Get him on board, I'll call it in.
Okay, there's no like at some point where they're like talking.
Who wants to try next? Tell me about Bane! Why does he wear the mask? A lot of loyalty for a hired gun!
Or perhaps he's wondering why someone would shoot a man before throwing him out of a plane.
At least you can talk! Who are you?
It doesn't matter who we are. What matters is our plan. No one cared who I was till I put on the mask.
If I pull that off, will you die?
It would be extremely painful.
You're a big guy.
For you.
Was getting caught part
Oh, I
of your
see. Yeah, it's
Of
all come
course.
together now. I don't know what the fuck you were talking about.
Dr. Pavel refused our offer in favor of yours. We got to find out what he told you.
Nothing. I said nothing. Well, congratulations. You got yourself caught. Sir? Now what's the next step of your master plan?
Crashing this plane.
Anyways, enough of that. Enough time wasted with that. Is that the most recent one? Must be a newer one than that, right? At this point. What movie was that? Batman Bane. Dark Knight Rises. That's not what I wanted. Where that was the last one? Interesting. Show to the mouth. Bum, 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 bum. 1, 2, 2. Okay. Not really a whole lot in terms of high leverage liquidations, right? Once we go back to like 120. A bit down, some down here, but not a whole lot. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, let me get food before I forget. I think it's late. And we're just trying to stuff in as many meals as we can before bed. Let's get these protein meals in our body ASAP. ASAP. It's got a 30-minute candle too. Okay. 30 single print getting left to the upside. Okay.
It's time to light up that hopium. Smoking on bullpack, rolling up bulls in the wood. Green candle trap, thought they understood, but the top ticked hype, I knew they would. Ash on the desk from the overlongs, now I'm chilling with a trend gone wrong. They saw breakout, I saw bait, I fade emotions, low that way. Pulled up slow in the matte black whip, they max long highs, now they stuck in the dip. Told them the math, but they moved on the tip, so I twisted their trades in a platinum zip. Champagne cold, but the tape's still hot, they ape that wick, I flipped the spot. Market makers copy my plot, while bulls blow bags, I take the lot. Top signals in they tweets, I hedge it deep while they chase repeats. They FOMO buys, I short they feats, now I'm rolling green off their defeat. Smoking on bullpack, rolling up bulls in the wood. Green candle trap, thought they understood, but the top ticked hype, I knew they would. Ash on the desk from the overlongs, now I'm chilling with a trend gone wrong. They saw breakout, I saw bait, I fade emotion, I load that weight. Hopium loud, but the math too clear. The stops got hit, that's music to ear. I'm deep in the books, I engineer. The trap so slick, it wiped their chair. They call Moon, I said mean reversion. Fibonacci slapping with a market excursion. DJ and Bulls gotta force submersion. Now that they wrecked, I'm blessed, no version. Cherry wood tray with the bullpack lit. Liquidation candle, that's my hit. They bought the euphoria, I flipped the script. Now I'm twisting their dreams and design a zip. Smoke clouds where the longs once stood. They bought the top, I knew they would. Hopium loud, that's my good. They burn, I earn, understood. Smoking on bullpack, rolling up bulls in the wood. Green candle trap, thought they understood, but they top tick hype, I knew they would. Ash on the desk from the overlong, now I'm chilling with a trend gone wrong. They saw breakout, I saw bait, I fade emotion, I load that way. Marcos, top bar smoke. The math is the math. You got again.
That week ain't real. That high. Poor Marcos. They reach for stop. I reach for gains.
SFD at the value high. With grand stops, then kiss goodbye. They bought the break, I sold that lie. Back in range, they wonder why. Polo sweet, I caught that bid. Fade that fake, then let it slip. They longed the trap, I slid and flipped. Now value low, that's where I sit. Pour high, no excess on sight. They force the wick, I dim the light. Sweep that zone, then drop it right. Back in the box, that auction tight. Belly area high, no close to hold. They chase that wick, got left in cold. That breakout candle, purely sold. I feel that fade, now I print bold. Volume thin where they overreact. I see the trap, I don't get jacked. That was a grab, I map that tack. SFE clean, I slide that stack. No structure, no close. That's the trap, that's a ghost. Value low, I bid that base. They panicked high, I took their place. SFB at the value high. With grand stops, then kiss goodbye. They bought the break, I sold that lie. Back in range, they wonder why. Polo sweet, I caught that bid. Fade that fade, then let it slip. They longed the trap, I slid and flipped. Now value low, that's where I sit. Liquidity grabbed, I let it burn. Back to balance, I wait my turn. They lost the edge, they never learn. S&P hit, my profits churn. She love my calm, I play too rare. They wanna chase, I trap with care. One wick spike, I'm in midair. They stop out loud, I breathe that air. They read the hype, I read the tape. They bought that wick, I watch escape. No follow through, then it's too late. That swing failed, I claim my ray.
Accepter was like
SFP at the value high. With grand stops, then kiss goodbye. They bought the break.
I sold their lives. Back in range, they wonder why. Polo sweet, I caught that bit. Fade that fake, then let it slip. They long to trap, I slid in flips. Now value low, that's where I sit.
It came exactly where I'm at. Didn't chase, didn't flinch, take profit. Take profit. Take profit, I let it breathe. Didn't need to watch it, leave it. Touch the line, no sound, no fight it. Hit the mark, then move from sight. Take profit, that's silent when no loud goes. No need to spin, I watched it come just like the chart. A perfect exit from the start. Take profit. I placed it low when no one looked. Below the wick, beneath the book, they laughed at patience, mark the weight, but price curved back, aligned with fate. No need to rush, no need to guess. I took the zone, ignored the mess. They screamed for more. I stayed the plan and watched it fill, just like I ran. Take profit.
Show it to the math.
You want thrill, I want time. You hold hope, I hold frame. You feel need, I raid the flame. Take profit. Take profit. I let it breathe, didn't need to watch it, leave it. Touch the line, no sound, no fight it. Hit the mark, then move from sight. Take fit, no noise, no sin, no crowd, no cloud, just built in when the math was quiet. But it knew I let it go, it came back true. It filled where it was meant to, like it hurt me, Marcos.
Top faders.
Any questions or not? Or not?
We don't chase pumps for
I thought we're about to be munching away and nerding out.
bump the math, pyro print.
Bum, 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 bum.
Treetop faders, catching that top. You loan too early, we letting you drop. Jumping green, we loading them shots. Market ain't gangster, but math get high.
I don't chase no bounces, I don't buy no dreams. I let y'all pump, then I fade them schemes. Math been red like a set on flame. Stop hunt clean, who you think run game? Bugatti parked on Rosecrans stripes. Penthouse high, but the wrist on ice. Ops go long, we laughing back. Got 'em smoked out.
Show it to the math.
Pack. Ran my fibs, let the chart drip slow. I'm treetop faded, you faded hope. AP bust like a 38 poke. Hit that zone, now your margin broke. Treetop faders, catching that top. You long too early, we letting you drop. You jump in green, we loaded them shots. Market ain't gangsta, but math get high. Treetop faders, catching that top. You long too early, we letting you drop. You jump in green, we loaded them shots. Market ain't gangsta, but math get high. You say breakout, we say bait. You running fast, we lay that plate. SL hit, that's chain reaction. You bought fake highs, we fade with passion. B-chain swing when the field get placed. Double R drift like it's past your pace. You beg for trend, we pray for range. And bleed the top like a Pyru name. She asked why red, I said that's
Interesting.
clean. Red Rari deep like treetop lean. Back this red, but the profit's green. B on my belt, but the charts stay mean. Treetop faders, catching that top. You long too early, we letting you drop. You jump in green, we loading them shots. Market ain't gangsta, but math get high. Treetop faders, catching that top. You long too early, we letting you drop. You jump in green, we loading them shots. Market ain't gangsta, but math get high. Trends, we end them. Chart get jumped. We slide in silence. Treetop, fade God, Marcos.
Man, these oranges I bought are enormous. I could knock somebody out with one of these things if I threw out them. It's like a baseball of steel. Baseball shape, right? The size. These things are huge and they're thick. Show to the map. Show to these juicy trades. Show to a beautiful start to August already. God damn. God damn.
Zones drawn perfect, no cap. Entry so clean it could nap. Snipe that field and watch this snap. With kiss line then boom it clap. Woke up late, still hit my TP. Didn't chase, just played it deeply. Level set like fine machinery. They guess wild, I trade discreetly. Tight stocks, big gains. Wrote my move and watched it rain. They play games, I stay sane. Profit and I leave no stain. TP hit, that's clean incision. Line got tagged with no revision. Mapped it once, I saw the vision. Trade so tight, it cut precision. Glowing screen, I'm in my pocket. Profit stack, no need to talk it. Numbers dance, I let it rock it. Math on point and they can't mock it. Precision, precision. No guessing, just vision. No friction, no friction. The mission. Where's B? Where's B? TP hit, that's clean incision. Line got tagged with no revision. Mapped it once, I saw the vision. Trade so tight, it cut precision. Glowing screen, I'm in my pocket. Profit stack, no need to talk it. Numbers dance, I let it rock it. Math on point and they can't mock it. Precision, precision. No guessing, just vision. No friction, no fiction. That fear was the mission.
Ella no baila por vibes, ella baila por datos. Drop it low in la golden Marcos. Get you out of Sasu. What? She don't miss, hit the zone,
exacto. Golden pocket body perfecto. She pulled back deep like retroceso. Then ride that wave sin pretexto. Cadera mueve como price and trend. Bounce down clean Fibonacci bend. She dip like algo, grip like pen. And that entry click we send. No adivino, I calculate. She ride my line, I match her rate. She don't chase green, she make it bait. And when she drop, I seal that fate. Drop it low, and la golden. Bounce so tight, had to hold it. TP hit, now she own it. Math too clean, can't clone it. Drop it low, en la zona clave. Entry firme, nunca suave. It is so sweet, como clave. Golden pocket, ella sabe. Yo la marco, ella entra en swing. Body moving like candles bring.
Show to the mouth.
So deep, gotta hedge that
Things are sending. God damn. God damn. God damn.
back destined on a dress. Price just match.
Tagged the highs over there.
She scream Marcos,
Bum ba ba bum.
no emoción, solo precisión. Ella baila como la cotización. Breakout clean, she love the zone. And when she drop, that's home. Drop it low, and la golden. Bounce so tight, had to hold it. TP hit, now she own it. Math too clean, can't clone it. Drop it low en la zona clave. Entry firme, nunca suave. Wrist so sweet, como clave. Golden pocket, ella sabe. Lo marco lento, lo siento exacto. Él no adivina, él hace el acto. Baila pa'l trade, no por contrato. Golden touch, yo me impacto. Yeah. Ella no se mueve por suerte, ella se mueve por niveles. Golden pocket, Marcos.
Yeah. Thought it was testnet now. It's real fun, it's real feel, it's real math.
Scar, y'all lean up.
Yeah. They think I'm trading on testnet, cause I make it look too clean. Said no one get rich that fast. Must be similar demo scheme. I placed that bid, I hit that TP. Now I'm somewhere you ain't seen. They trade with fear, I trade with cold. This price move built off machine. Rolls outside and the seat still warm. Penthouse trades and my wrist got storms. They hit margin, I hit Malone. They need signals, I move calm. Balance real, them feels hit fast. You still pray, I back this pass. My edge live, no fake account. You click hope, I click amounts. They think it's test. Nope. But it's all real facts. Big trade hit, boom. Then I sign deals, sign it. Stress on charts, them. I'm just chill. Cold. They can't believe it. Why? The math too ill. Math. They think it's fake. Nah, it's just that tight. That stop too clean. That entry's light. They said you see me. I said you dreaming. You stuck in beta. I'm out here scheming. Woke up clear 5 figures. Didn't even leave that villa. One click trade got triggered. Chart came down, I drill her. They think it's capped, I let them talk. While I withdraw the vaults and yachts. You post gains, I post results. You hold hopes, I hold the pulse. Wrist on gold, book on stealth. Draw down low, account got health. They crowd forms, beg for help. I fake candles, print from wealth. Ain't no demo. This real demo.
Show to the mouth.
I just press left.
God damn, what time is it? 9 minutes on a 30-minute candle. Okay. Okay.
Then I sign deals, done. Stress on charts.
Should we rate this for now?
Just chill. They can't believe it. The math too ill. They think it's fake. Nope. It's just that tight. That stop too clean. That entry's light. They said you see me. I said you dreaming. You stuck in beta. I'm out here scheming.
This ain't testnet. This ain't sim. This ain't luck. This is math. Marcos.
Bum 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 bum.
It's not luck, baby. It's not vibes. It's number math is the math, baby, that's the code. Hit that level, then I hit that mode. You trade hope, but I trade facts. And now we dancing right where price reacts. The math is the math, it don't pretend. Clean execution from start to end. You count stars, I count stats. Math too smooth, now throw it back. She said, how you know when to go? I said, girl, the chart said so. She moved like price, that fib just hit. I swing that trade, then grip them hips. Golden pocket, that's her pace. Stop loss tight, no time to waste. Risk real light, reward insane. She ride my math, I ride the wave. Chart to dance, so I made that move. Zone got kissed, now I'm in that groove. No hesitation, just that proof. Price don't lie, and I got the truth. The math is the math, baby, that's the code. Hit that level, then I hit that mode. You trade hope, but I trade facts. And now we dancing right where price reacts. The math is the math, it don't pretend. Clean execution from start to end. You count stars, I count stacks. Math too smooth, now throw it back. Numbers don't lie, they just lead. Follow that line, then plant the seed. Risk it all, now I let it breathe. Now price hits sweet like summer breeze. The math is the math, baby, that's the code. Hit that level, then I hit that mode. You trade hope, but I trade facts. And now we
Bum,
dancing
bum,
right
bum,
where
bum.
price reacts. The math, it don't pretend. Clean execution from start to end.
We're closing below the golden pocket or what, right? Are we gonna approach this negative point of control down here or what? Looking a little sus. Yeet. Bum 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 bum.
No stress, no cap. Just
How's a
charts.
4-hour looking? Okay.
Math. Marcos.
Interesting.
Yeah. Marco's trades. Yeah. They study in the players, but the math too clean.
Interesting.
Let's go. They envy the feel. I'm deep in the charts, got that sniper skill. I don't chase no hype, I just sit and chill. Nah, they moving with fear. I
Bum, bum,
move
bum,
with will and
bum.
facts. I'm floating above them, that VWAP thrill. I trap they stops, then I press for the kill. Press it. They draw fake zones, I bend the field. Whoop it. Their team look shook, I just broke they shield. Broke it. Market make us mad, they can't touch the plan. I lay down fields like a beach with sand. Big orders led from the top to the land. They clicking in fear, I type with one hand. Extensions long like the clip on the stick. 7/8 tap, then the profit came quick. They plot on my downfall, still I uplift. They tryna front run, but I'm running the script. Ready to feel, yeah. I'm deep in the charts, got the sniper skill. Scope. I don't chase no hype, I just sit and chill. Post it. They moving with feel, I move with will. I'm floating above them, that VWAP thrill. I trap they stops, then I press for the kill. They draw fake zones, I bend the field. Their team look shook, I just broke they shield. Math hit me like a Bentley swing. Cuban link heavy when I step in the lane. They reload clips, but I reload brains. Cause the fifth game raw, got them stuck in pain. Spoof they orders, make them think it's real. Hit with size, now they beg for a deal. They don't want smoke, they just want a pill. But Marco's cooking filet with the steel. Envy the feel. I'm deep in the charts, got a sniper skill. I don't chase no hype, I just sit and chill. They move
Oh, I forgot. Damn. We forgot to get some protein. Damn.
that VWAP thrill. I trap they stops.
That is a rip.
They draw fake zones, I bend the field. They team look shook, I just broke they shield.
her vibes now. She move her Fibonacci. Golden pocket, baby, come ride the retrace with me. Oh. I see you watching from the 0.5, but I know you want that deeper dive. I don't just move for any touch, but baby, you rate me just enough. You wait for pullbacks, I love that pace. You trace my curves like a fairy trace. I drop it low, right on the zone. That golden pocket, I call it home. I drop it low, on the golden pocket. Marco's fix, you know I won't stop it. Bounce back slow, let you time that rocket. We ride the wave and we never lost it. I dip, you grip, yeah, you always lock it. Roll 680, girl, I had to clock it. Wrist so tight, but the move so profit. Golden love in a golden pocket, yeah. I don't chase moves, I let them breathe. But you retrace like the air I need. Body aligned like fit precision. You hit that level, I make decisions. Confluence, hips and candles match. You signal clean, I strike the patch. EMA flow, girl, you trend so mean. And you bounce like you know what the market means. Back test my love, it's proven stats. You read my mood like you read those graphs. I don't fake breaks, I stay legit. You don't get caught, you time to dip. You my zone, my setup clean. Scaling slow, then let it steam. Pull me in with that deep precision. Your body's math and I trust the vision. I drop it low, on the golden pocket. White goes back, fix, you know I won't stop it. Bounce back slow, let you time that rocket. We ride the wave and we never lost it. I dip, you grip, yeah, you always lock it. A Paul 16, girl, I had to clock it. Wrist so tight, but the move so profit. Golden love in the golden pocket, yeah. You don't chase highs, you wait to give. You don't short love, you let it live. We trade and sync, we move with grace. Golden pocket, our favorite place.
It's Marcos. You feel that? That's your liquidation. Got him.
I don't guess, I don't pray, I do math. Golden pocket entry, run it back. Top long, but I'm sure that's your path. Meanwhile, I print yachts off your RAF. Stop hunts with my chain, that's a fact. You full mode high, man, that's a trap. Options printing while you crash. I said it once.
Show to the math.
The math fib levels tattered on my Tesla doors. I front run wells while you chase whores. Emotion your sleeve, I see the pause. I fade your tears and cop some more. Liquidy sweep, I eat your soul. That wick up top, I plan that roll. Market maker envy, I stole they code. Risk reward got me in control. Stats in my blood, I don't see red. You dream of profits, I wake up fed. Your candle closes my Rolex thread. And your stop loss, just pay my spread. I don't guess, I don't pray, I do math. Golden pocket entry, run it back. Top long, but I'm sure that's your path. Meanwhile, I print yachts off your RAF. Stop hunts with my chain, that's a fact. You full mode high, man, that's a trap. Options printing while you crash. I said it once, the math is the math. You bought resistance, that's cute, bro. I to the other side, I run the show. And balance filled, that's your grave. Institutional flow, I surf the wave. V-word bounce, I catch that flight. You revenge trade, I sleep at night. Scout noise, I chart precision. Your broken dreams for my decisions. Delta stacked, I see the lean. My P&L's fat, your screen's just green, but that green turns red. Then you cry, I'm sipping Bordeaux while you ask why. Math don't lie.
30-minute candle close, but not too hot, yeah. Not too hot. Still above the golden pocket though. Bum, 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 bum. We'll continue to give that some more time.
I don't chase, I scheme. Wall Street, scared of the king. And retail, you just fuel the machine. Got him.
Till I have negative brain cells.
Marco's got that coded guy. Touch the 6-6, then we 702, let it flip. 7-5 in the mix, that's lit. Catching entries, never miss. Chart so wavy, fibs on point. Deeper we go, bigger the joint. Set my levels, I ain't guessing. Price come dance at each progression. From 0.5 to that 786. Stack my size when it gets that fix. Other traders, they still wish. I'm in profit, blowing kiss. Numbers glow, they never lie. Magic math beneath the sky. Late night charts, stars in view. Golden zones, we know what to do. Fibonacci, feel the vibe. Falling pocket, we gon' slide. Nothing motion, let it ride. Marco's got that coded guide. Touch it, 6-6, then we dip. 702, let it flip. 7-5 in the mix, that's lit. Catching entries, never miss. Fibonacci, feel the vibe. Golden pocket, we gon' slide. Nothing motion, let it ride. Marco's got that coded guide. There's no luck, it's calculated. Every line, every wave. Back to where we started. Now price move, never retire. There's no luck, it's calculated.
Shut to the math.
Fibonacci got my heart. Fibonacci, feel the vibe. Golden pocket, we gon' slide. Nothing motion, let it ride. Marco's got that coded guide. Fibonacci, feel the vibe. Golden pocket makes that slip. Nothing motion, let it ride. Marco's got that coded guide. Touch a 6-6, then we dip. 702, let it flip. 7-5 in the mix, that's lit. Catching entries, never miss. Fibonacci, feel the vibe. Golden pocket, we gon' slide. Nothing motion, let it ride. Marco's got that coded guide.
These little baby bull divs are playing out so far, y'all. We should break these highs or what? Or what? We're not.
Come closer to my entry. Bounce sweet when it touch that key. I said line now she whine on me. All this math now we trade so free. You stressing charts, I just let that be. Price come close like it dance for me. When it hit, we just let it breathe. Then we take that back so clean.
Fibonacci all through her waistline. She twists like chart when I place mine. 618 got a curve so fine. Golden pocket, now she call it divine. Late night trade while the moonlight drip. Price approach slow, I don't even trip. Patience stack while the risk got drip. Waves on screen while we take
Come closer to my entry. Bounce sweet when it touch that key. I said line now she whine on me. All this math now we trade so free. You stressing charts, I just let that be. Price come close like it dance for me. When it hit, we just let it breathe. Then we take that back so clean. She know I don't move unless the fib align. Trade that plan, then we sip that wine. Risk real low, but the P&L shine. Same math make the stars combine. Palm trees swaying while she watch me chart. Told her chill, let the math do part. She believe now, say I play it smart. Cause price came back like it knew my heart. It was doubt in the lines I drew, but now price kiss it just like you. It's all numbers, but it feels so true. She say, Marcos, this math feel new. Come closer to my entry. Bounce sweet when it touch that key. I said line now she whine on me. All this math now we trade so free. You stressing charts, I just let that be. Price come close like it dance for me. When it hit, we just let it breathe. Then we take that back so clean. Don't chase it, let it come.
No emotion in my click. I'll go clean the fib legit. 618, I stack, I sit. Day long, the wick, the crowd ain't quit. Molten fake, I don't bite. Just one trap and candle flight. I ain't press, I dim the light. Let price come back, I strike at night.
Oh shit. Bum 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 bum.
Hey, it's red out. Blood drip, trend flip, we feasting. Mad, don't lie. Yeah. Market looking hella bearish. Broke that lowest parish. Gone. Mac confirmed, I'm fair, let's go. Heavy shorts, I'm careless. V-Wop tapped and dump. Boom. Volume spike that slump. Crash. Break out clean, no pump. Cut through charts like Trump. Marcos caught that versal clean. Lower hot and I lean. TP stacking in green. I ain't stressing no dreams. 618 it missed. Rip that 786. Ops long get flipped. Ouch. Now they margin slip. Margin call. Market looking hella bearish. Broke that lowest parish. Match confirmed, I'm fearless. Heavy shorts, I'm careless. V-Wop tapped and dump. Volume spike, that slump. Breakdown clean, no pump. Cut through charts like Trump. Price melting, no floor. Free fall. TP hit, need more. Reload. Back test, I ignore. That fake bounce on shore. Markers on guess he measures. High till a low, pure pressure. 702 fake pleasure. Trap. I stay short like a lecture. Midnight glow on my screen. Smoking loud while it bleeds. Wrist on ice, it gleams. But the tape red mean. Yeah. We short of the dreams. While they pray for the bounce. Marcos never blink. Red candles count. Let it bleed.
Boom 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 boom. We'll show it to the math.
Press long at the highs, no plan. Chase the green with a trembling hand. Candle wicked, now we don't understand. While I mark that top in the motherland. Fibs don't lie, but emotions do. He saw pump, but I saw through. I sip my tea while the chart unwind. One candle down, now he left behind. You went long where we go short. No bias check, just Twitter talk. That green fooled you into hope. Now you flow while I just coast. Top longer. Ooh, you pressed it bad. Now you deep in drawdown looking sad. while I fade that strength and leave with ease. Top longer, that wick don't care. Kissed your field and vanished in air. Top longer, you chased too high. I was selling slow while you kissed the sky. She asked me how I move so light. I said I chart in rhythm, not in fright. I let them long, then I pick my side. While they screaming red, I just glide. Golden pocket like a love affair. One touch, then I'm never there. They spam green, I just set that trap. Then watch it flip, then lean right back. You went long,
Boom, 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 boom.
no fib, no flow, no candle thought. The breakout, just a break of peace. Now I collect while you beg for release. Top longer. Ooh, you pressed it bad. Now you deep in drawdown, looking sad. That breakout, just a break of peace. Now I collect while you beg for release. Top longer. That wick don't care. Kissed your field and vanished in air. Top longer. You chased too high. I was stelling slow while you kissed the sky.
Oh.
It's not emotion, it's math, my friend. Christ don't love you.
15 minutes, not 30-minute candle. Okay, okay.
Or you'll pay the price for that reckless greed. Top longer. It's a shame to see you bought the lie while I sip my tea. Top longer, hope don't pay, but I get paid every single day. Top longer, next time wait, don't chase the sun at the wrong gate. Top longer, now you know we mark the top and let it go. I fade that fire, you play with flame. The math is the math, and we're not the same.
Yeah, one chance, no love,
No handouts. Marcos. One shot, had to take it. No sleep, had to make it. Dark nights, cold basement. Now my wrist looking sacred. They ain't cared, it was vacant. No help, just hatred. Not flex in the matrix. And my fam never waiting. Chart glowing, it's all I knew. Dreams in the gutter, soaked in dew. Had to map that line like truth. While they doubted, I aimed and flew. Poverty, pressure, pain on loop. No crowd, just math and a ruthless proof. Didn't need faith, didn't need boosts. The fib, the levels and airtight moves. I ain't believe, now they all tune in. I ain't forget how the silence been. Trading was prayer, yeah. I spoke with sin. No priest, just me and a flickering screen. Yeah, one shot, had to take it. No sleep, had to make it. Dark nights, cold basement. Now my wrist looking sacred. They ain't care, they was vacant. No help, just hatred. Not flex in the matrix. And my fam never waiting. Price hit, I ain't shake, I feel. Stop loss tight, the entry killed. One trade flip, how my block feel. Now mom smiling, a house on a hill. They ain't ride when the loss was real. Now they cheer while I coast in silk. Still the same, just math and skill. Just more rooms in a place I built. Had much, just a chart and plan. No cosigns, no open hand. But now they see what I became. One shot, and I changed the fam. Yeah.
We're about to lose the golden pocket or what, right? Looks like we want to lose that thing. Low key. I used to do some weird ass 3 drives down here.
Marcos initialized.
Oh.
They move when I place. They pause where I stop. If you know, you know. The math is the math.
Limit
Limits, pivots, I'm setting the tone. Sight so deep, price don't move on its own. Flash that wick, that's me in the zone. You chase pumps, I bank and I'm gone. You place dreams, I post limits. Whole trend bends when I send digits. Short the low, that's your ticket. Top gets long, then I flip it. They can't match weight, they adjust the range. One fill hits and the ball looks strange. No news drop, just Marco's placed. Volume spikes when I open space. You call it chance, I call that data. Candle wicks talk, I read them like paper. One big block, I don't move like retail. I draw the line, you call it a detail. Options box like shipping crates. IV higher than I rotate. You stress losses, I stress Greeks. You move for clout, I move discreet. Lied on pose and I came out vapes. When I get fall, I'm a laughing state. I'm a lift nut with my neck so tape. Fix up, fixed up, quite a brace. Limits, pivots, I'm setting the tone. Sight so deep, price don't move on its own. Flash that wick, that's me in the zone. You chase pumps, I bank and I'm gone. You place dreams, I post limits. Whole trend bends when I send digits. Short the low, that's your ticket. Top gets long, then I flip it. Broker store, they can't fill mine, so they widen spreads and delay time. News don't move it, tweets don't phase. It's Marco's trades that bend the wave. Fake outs live where I place bait. Whole trend shifts off, risk I rate. Top gets squeezed while I sell calm. Your moon is my exit, thanks for the palm. Golden zone, that's my canvas. You chart hope, I move like an atlas. Leverage max, that's harvest season. They get got and don't know the reason.
You say it's luck, but I've seen this loop. You caught the spike, I wrote the scoop. Your stops find suits, I'm my next booth. You trade belief, I execute truth.
Limits, pivots, this ain't a guess. Risk gets taxed while I compress. No reaction, I pre-play stress. Your whole edge, I repossess. You felt the shift, but I placed the weight. They say worlds move the sea, but I own the tide. The math is the math.
I put in the work, now the market my baby. Chart like curves and the flow drive me crazy. Standard depth tight, I know when she breaks. She give me that wick, I just need one shake. I calculate love like it's volume weighted. She move with rhythm, never outdated. One sigma shift, I'm deep in my lane. Trade run smooth while I hold her frame. Fibonacci touch, now she calling my name. 618, is she feeling the flame? She asked how I know, I just smile and explain. Delta was dry, but I saw the game. It's too easy when you do it right. Math so clean, it turned dark to light. It's too easy when you know the vibe. One retrace and we both align. It's too easy when you study deep. No chase, we just let it repeat. It's too easy, now the price obey. And we whisper in charts in a sweet delay.
You drew that fib, now I ride that line. Touch my zone with that entry fine. No need to rush, I respect your pace. I see the math in the way you trace. You plot that swing like you read my soul. Pull back soft, but your logic bold. RSI low, I was feeling weak till you brought that flow. Now I peak each week. I don't need flowers, I need that plan. Show me the chart, I'll show you a fan. You know the levels, you know the zone. You read my mind like you read the cone.
It's too easy when you do it right. Math so clean, it turned dark to light. It's too easy when you know the vibe. One retrace and we both align. It's too easy when you study deep. No chase, we just let it repeat. It's too easy, now the price obey. And we whisper in charts in a sweet delay.
How you know the bounce like that? Because the fib don't lie. And what if I test that level? Then I'll buy the dip every time.
The math is the math, and we don't miss. It's too easy when you do it right. Math so clean, it turned dark to light. It's too easy when you know the vibe. One retrace and we both align. It's too easy when you study deep. No chase, we just let it repeat. It's too easy, now the price obey. And we whisper in charts in a
That's 30-minute candle coming along. Probably not particularly interesting. Barely moved an inch. God damn. God damn.
like that. Because the fib don't lie. And what if I test that level? Then I'll buy the dip every time. The math is the math, and we don't miss.
Price don't lie. The math is the math. You got. Ran it back, they set the stop. Feel that level. Marked it clean, then let it drop. Just one shot. I don't chase, I let it pop. That don't flop. One more candle, then I'm up. They get God. Click that level, yellow flash. Snap, blind. Feel that we collect the cash. Midnight shine. No emotion, just the math. Calculated path. While they panic, I relax.
Sipping while they crash.
Wrote that song like it's scripture.
Immaculate picture.
Place that perfect full fixture.
No miss, no glitch, bruh.
On the charts like a whisper.
He goes like the flicker.
Ran it back, they set the stop. Feel that level. Marked it clean, then let it drop. Just one shot. I don't chase, I let it pop. That don't flop. One more candle, then I'm up.
They get God.
Click that level, yellow flash. Snap, line. Feel that we collect the cash.
Midnight shine.
No emotion, just the math.
Calculated path.
While they paper gas.
Sipping while they crash.
You trace hope, we trace math.
We trace math.
You want breakouts, we want path.
We fade that wrath.
I hear your panic in the glass.
Breathe too fast.
While we drift off in the craft.
And just laugh.
No tweet, no flex, just feel
Silent thrill.
midnight bought out, I'm still
Chillin', kill.
session open, man uphill.
And we pill.
Mark the zone, the market kneel.
We that skill.
Champagne chart, white screen glow.
Backlight slow.
Every pip we let it show.
Never low.
Ops just guess we know.
Tappin', go.
Math locked in, we stole the show.
You ain't know.
Ran it back, they set the stop.
Feel that level.
Marked it clean, then let it drop.
Just one shot.
I don't chase, I let it pop.
That don't flop.
One more candle, then I'm up.
They get God.
Click that level, yellow flash.
Snap, line.
Feel that we collect the cash.
Midnight shine.
No emotion, just the math.
Calculated path.
While they panic, I relax.
Sipping while they crash.
One shot. No shade. Lay, move loud. We move mad.
Marcos, lights low, charts glow, loud in the air, my thing control.
Loud in the air.
I puff that fire, then load that size. I trust the line, they trust in lies. Low in the wick, I optimize. You feeling
Bum. 30-minute candle coming in soon. Nothing to really do, right? At this point, first of all, if anyone wasn't in a trade, probably looking to get on that kind of bearish retest Valerie high. If you're gonna have like a full day rotation to the downside, that was probably it. Open in, come down. Bum, 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 bum.
apologize. Charts on mute, no need for chat. They guessing moves, I play zigzag. Spread real tight, just like the rap. I trade, I flex, I ghost, I stack. Midnight screen light on my face. Price slow creeping, I hold grace. They want breakout, I want base. Me and risk, we never race. Smoke curl up like liquidation. I wait my time, no imitation. They short the low, I hit rotation. Run, they stops, pure elevation.
But yeah, I mean, in terms of this, at this point, right, kind of just waiting to see if we're gonna hold this and start going or not, right? I'm just gonna make the move down here. Or not. Suspect another boring evening ahead, right? Kind of like yesterday.
Imaginary to you, but not the price. Drawn 2 weeks back, still hit twice. No confluence, no fib, no hype. Line too clean like the Mac got
30-minute candle about to close. Okay, look at these candles. God damn. What candle body is that? $3, 5 cents currently. God damn.
Imaginary marks, no glow, no sound. Came through soft but broke that round. They never saw but it came back down. You call that random, I call that crown. Imaginary locks, no glow, no sound. Came through soft but broke that round. They never saw but it came back down. You call that random, I call that crown. But I got hit at the edge of space. Line held firm like a golden brace. You saw noise, I saw math. You chase trend, I trap path. Set that level on a wine stain napkin. Price curve back like it owed me action. Whole move dive when the wick got clipped. Mad don't lie, it just flips. I don't move fast, I just set fate. Market bend, I'm a silent wait. Chart don't fake when the edge get close. And I don't speak, just post that ghost. Imaginary line still print, no sound. Came through soft but broke that round. They never saw but it came back down. You call that random, I call that crown. Imaginary marks, no glow, no sound. Came through soft but broke that round. They never saw but it came back down. You call that random, I call that crown. The wit don't lie, chart don't ask. They think I predict, but I don't. I remember Marcos. Marcos.
Tap the line, no guessing. Chart so clean, it's a weapon. You buy hype, I'm testing. You chase green, I'm resting. Pull up, slow, then vanish. Fizz mapped out so lavish. 618, I vanish. You get clapped, I planned it. Body count high in the order book. One tap fade, didn't even look. Lemon fills get snatched like crooks. Stop hunts cook, just read the hooks.
$9.33. Damn.
in the kitchen now, look. Mom was crying while the rent passed due. Now she counting blessings with a sky view. I was down bad, no one had a clue. Now we all good, whole crew came through. They ain't see the map, just a doubt in they face. Now I'm cruising slow in a starlit wraith. Never needed luck, I just needed some space to build it from scratch, now we floating in grace. I was in the dark with a pixel dream, trading in pain, trying to find my theme. Late night charts, steady chasing green. Mama said pray, I said watch the screen. Whole fam slept while I mapped that zone. Woke them all up when I touched that throne. Golden pocket entries, built this alone. Now we eat well, got marble and chrome. She used to cry, now her smile stay bright. I took that weight, made it fly like a kite. They used to mock, now they copy the light. Marco's the name, put the game in flight. Mom was crying while the rent passed due. Now she counting blessings with a sky view. I was down bad, no one had a clue. Now we all good, whole crew came through. They ain't see the map, just a doubt in they face. Now I'm cruising slow in a starlit wraith. Never needed luck, I just needed some space to build it from scratch, now we floating in grace. Auto-tune blessings, I let it all play. Wrote this in code, made a plan every day. Mama, don't worry, we finally okay. Math did the work, now we counting that late. Hey. From the void, no echo, no cheer. Only that screen and the weight of the fear. Mama was stressing, the rain coming near. Now she infer with the diamonds that smear. I was alone, now the feel look divine. Hesitate once and you missed the whole line. Math hit coded, don't beg to be kind. Every zone I drew came back in the line. Late nights, eyes on a candle. Stress high, bro, couldn't handle. Price running, panic, I plan. Fibonacci scale like a blade in hand. 618 like a signal from Mars. Set the order, now I'm counting the stars. Whisper said he won't go far. Now they all watch charts from luxury cars. Detached soul, I don't fold, I compute. Every feel, now a loop of the truth. Used to lose sleep from the weight of the roof. Now we high rise, math get the proof. Came from the void, no echo, no cheer. Only that screen and the weight of the fear. Mama was stressing, the rain coming near. Now she infer with the diamonds that smear. I was alone, now the feel look divine. Hesitate once and you missed the whole line. Math hit coded, don't beg to be kind. Every zone I drew came back in the line.
What's going on over here? Okay, okay. Hola and nada.
Pixel perfect when I breathe in the dark. Limit place, now the candles embark. Autumn doubts, gone like a spark. Just me the chart and the art.
Marco's trades. Deep in the trenches. Big wave, big math. Yeah. Set the wave, I surf, I move it. Whales get clipped when the math too ruthless. Trenches cold, but the wrist on stupid. Size get dumped, they pray, I prove it. I'm the current, they just floating lost. I hunt depths, they don't know the cost. Wick get tapped, that's blood in the sea. I got feels with a pressure peak B. They see splash, I see trap, I said it. Zone get drawn, well steps regret it. 618 like teeth embedded. I bite back when the sea look hectic. I'm in stealth, no sonar blip. Got size so big it'll flip, they ship. Lick map, blink just hit, then pop that clip. Trend set, I chart the swell. Pulse of the tide, I rid that well. They just swim where I cast that spell. Every reversal, I ring that bell. Set the wave on surf, I move it. Whales get clipped when the math too ruthless. Trenches cold, but the wrist on stupid. Sides get dumped, they pray, I prove it. I'm the current, they just floating lost. I hunt depths, they don't know the cost. Quick get tapped, that's blood in the sea. I got fills where the pressure peak be. Deep sea pockets, that's where I dwell. They chase pumps, I wait and shell. Flip get marked and the trap get set. They swim loud, I move in stealth. Float through charts like I breathe that tide. Bad bitch rolling while I glide. POC get kissed and slide. I front run trends, they chase and cry. No clout moves, I just set the tone. This the ocean math on a platinum phone. Whole crew fed on precision zones. We hunt whales, they dive. Set the wave on surf, I move it. Whales get clipped when the math too ruthless. Trenches cold, but the wrist on stupid. Sides get dumped, they pray, I prove it. I'm the current,
Interesting.
just floating lost.
Interesting bug in the order flow.
That's blood in the sea. I got fills where the pressure peak be. It ain't luck when the ocean bends. Just pressure.
Boom, 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 boom.
Marcos.
Yes, sir. Didn't believe it, huh?
Migo. We know. Man made millionaires. Back then they ain't care. Now my whole fam in the air. Private flights, no stairs. Golden fibs, I swear. 6-1 lounge truck, 2-tone glare. TP hit, I stare. Money talk loud, they scared. They laughed at the plan, I was forced with the fam. Used to run, stop, lost, now run the land. Backwards field chart still in hand. Had no help, just math, no scam. Mom and Dior, niece got bands. Auntie and Benz, all from scams. Did it with skill, no boss, no chance. Price move once, I advance. Soon, I don't miss sniper mode. Money. Wick through high, that's overload. Move. Risk to reward, I drove the code. Now I'm ice while they the code. Man made millionaires. Blink. Back then they ain't care. Now my whole fam in the air. Private flights, no stairs. Golden fibs, I swear. 6-1 lamb truck, 2-tone glare. TP hit, I stare. Locked in. Money talk loud, they scared. Plotted in silence, counted the ticks. Late night with charts, no clicks. They mock the math, now I'm rich. Ops got wrecked, I ain't flinch. I ain't flex, just showed the path. Kept it tight, I played the math. Now my circle living like grass. Up and to the right, no cap. Fibonacci. Out of my math. They ain't believe it, now they made to read it. Marco. We fed the fam with a map. Marcos. They see the wins now, but they ain't see me in the red. Late night pain. No help, just math. Yeah, it's candlelight war, no sleep. No. Tears on the keys, just me and the heat. Price ran wild, I ain't retreat. Midnight lows made the high so sweet. They talk racks, I bled for this. Charles got scars, yeah, I thread that stitch. Used to be pain, now it's profit ticks. But they ain't dead when the soul got hit. Dark room 3 AM, heart sunk deep. No lights on, but a V-Walk beam. Snipe from lost, turned into scheme. Now every trade got a haunted gleam. I tweet, I just flipped the zone. Marked up levels with a cracked out phone. Smoking a year blunt to the dome. Wasn't no help, I was all alone. They cheer now, but I paid that cost. Stop loss, hit like a gunshot cross. Reload quick, couldn't count that loss. Math in the veins like I'm wired to the boss. Candlelight war, no sleep. No. Tears on the keys, just me and the heat. Price ran wild, I ain't retreat. Midnight lows made the high so sweet. They talk racks, I bled for this. Charles got scars, yeah, I thread that stitch. Used to be pain, now it's profit ticks. But they ain't there when the soul got hit. Fake love, now they act like fans. Weren't in the mud when I built my plan. Didn't see stops hit back to back. Didn't see nights that broke this man, but I rose like Wick on a news fed spike. Pressure in lungs, but the math felt right. Turned red into green, took risks with spike. Now I ghost through price like a solid night. They only know the flex, but the ghosts in the games came from pain. I ain't forget. was candlelight war, no sleep. Tears on the keys, just me and the heat. Price ran wild, I ain't retreat. Midnight lows made the high so sweet. Now they talk racks, I bled for this. Shots got scars, yeah, I thread that stitch. Used to be pain, that's profit ticks, but they ain't there when the soul got hit. They think it's just skill, but I died for this. Resurrected through the math.
It's midnight money. Quiet hustle. Loud profit.
Late night run, I'm up with the charts. Backseat view, cool glow in the dark. Did the math clean, now the wrist on spark. Did it all cold, I need they heart. Silk sheet trays, I ain't break no sweat. They talk loud, but I clear those bets. Got rich lines that they callin' fake. Dashed in gold, price bounced off fake. Woke up from a dream, made racks in real time. Automatic synced up my line. Ray phone stealth, but the mask still shine. Ops talk noise, I reply with decline. Cuban link froze, like my entry point. Tapped in once, now it's cash in joints. Didn't do brunch, I was cooking zones. Late night scripts with no auto clones. Marble floor echo that candle slap. Back to his truth, they can fake that map. Whispers in the chat, I don't need that cap. Cause the VWAP kissed and I ran that trap. Late night run, I'm up with the chart. Backseat view, cool glow in the dark. Did the math clean, now the wrist on spark. Did it all cold, I ain't need they heart. Silk sheet trays, I ain't break no sweat. They talk loud, but I clear those bets. Got rich lines that they callin' fake. Dashed in gold, price bounced off fake. Yeah. Midnight margins.
Time is it? 9:46. Okay. We're really doing nothing, right? Might as well go to bed now. What about the rest of this week? Actually, let me do this first. Oh, where's the calendar? / calendar. And not a whole lot, right? Aside from like ISM tomorrow. Who knows if people are gonna be thinking about unemployment and whatnot after they just change like a whole facelift on the statistics board.
Ops talk, we let the charts talk back.
Sure, it's really not until next week, right? This week's kind of low key, chilling. Oh, did not mean to do that. Fuck. Did not mean to do that.
Math so sharp I could carve a trend out. Charts don't lie, but my wrist too loud. Hey, came from the red, now the green drip proud. Facts. Big bags hit like a 12 gauge pop. Lamb truck ghost when the TP drop. Talk that talk, real tweet, just walk. Whole life flipped off the flip and stock. I was in the dark with a cracked screen glow. Facts. Drew lines once, price never said no. They laughed back then, said it's too many tools. Now they front run math and look like fool. No bot, no signal, no follow trade. Just zone to zone with the lines I lay. Now it's Birkins for an array for me. All cause the fake out set me free. Bulls went broke off opium highs. I short they dreams and I monetize. Red boxes hit like a stick in the war. And I size that lot like a brick to a door. Used to sleep broke, now dreaming penthouse. Math so sharp I could carve a trend out. Charts don't lie, but my wrist too loud. Came from the red, now the green drip proud. Facts. Big bags hit like a 12 gauge pop. Lamb truck ghost when the TP drop. Talk that talk, when no tweet, just walk. Whole life flipped off the fib and stock. I ain't flex, they just can't relate. Wrist 10 racks, now I sip on fate. Or the book dance when I step in the zone. Wrote my fate with a yellow line tone. Gold on the neck, that Fibonacci wave. 0.5 pounds got me paid like Brave. 6 618, that's a safe house crib where the ops get smoked and the charts get rigged. They post gains, I post receipts. They hit stops, I feast on beats. Marco's made, never preset cheat. This the math, this the seed of elite. Penthouse truth, from the basement dreams. Now the floor got marble, the chart got beams. Marcos, the math made me rich. Talk less, print more.
FOMC, I don't blink, math on lock, chart gon' sink, rate go high, I ride that wave, rate go low, I still get paid. FOMC, no fear zone, head down plop, moves alone, big boy size, my feel precise, click confirm, then roll the dice.
Wow.
FOMC, I don't blink, math on lock, chart gon' sink, rate go high, I ride that wave, rate go low, I still get paid. FOMC, no fear zone, head down plop, moves alone, big boy size, my feel precise, click confirm, then roll the dice. FOMC, I don't blink, math on lock, chart gon' sink, rate go high, I ride that wave, rate go low, I still get paid. FOMC, no fear zone, head down plop, moves alone, big boy size, my feel precise, click confirm, then roll the dice.
Late night mad, I was stuck in the zone. Pixel feels while the whole world gone. Silk on the skin, but my heart turns stone. Luxury quiet, don't brag at home. Wrist on ice, pain in the past. Heard they laugh, now they ask. Got no sleep, but got that range. Smart money moves, don't need no flame. Late night mad, I was stuck in the zone. Pixel feels while the whole world gone. Silk on the skin, but my heart turns stone. Luxury quiet, don't brag at home. Wrist on ice, pain in the past. Heard they laugh, now they ask. Got no sleep, but got that range. Smart money moves, don't need no fame. Back then charts was all I knew. Candlelight dinners with the Backtist crew. 100 tabs, but I saw it through. Now it's all Compton rooms with the penthouse view. Cap receipts, but I don't pause.
Bum 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 bum. Depending on your tick size, there's like 2 different point of controls yesterday, right? Multiple different points in time that were like evenly distributed. So there's like here and there's here, right? And this one obviously is an overlap with like the volume profile from EXO. Damn. Damn.
Midnight grind made diamonds out of drawdown. Now the chalks look clean and the wrist got frost now. Whispers turn.
Looks like we're nuking through the first one though. God damn. God damn.
Late night running, D-Wop humming. Price kiss level got filled, no frontin'. Empty inbox, but the racks keep coming. Silk sheets now, but I came from nothing. Golden pocket tucked, I ain't need no light. TP hit, why they still think twice? Small money steps, no dice, just math. I ain't post, I just watch them crash. Backseat charts, coupe dash digital. Benz move silent, gains residual. Stared at the screen till my soul went critical. Now I sip slow with a view that's biblical. No sleep, just plans and fills. Back to steep like I'm hunting for kills. Wrote the script, they follow the thrill. But I printed that map, let them chase the hills. Vested in zones they don't even see. Dash line bounce, that's prophecy. Didn't believe, now they copy me. But math ain't something you fake on a beat. They gon' buy from me, they gon' toy from me. Kid X cash, baby keep tired from me. Like chasers, he tired to me. I don't know you late night running, D-Wop humming. Price kiss level got filled, no frontin'. Empty inbox, but the racks keep
5 minutes on this 2-hour candle. Hourly candle, okay.
TP hit, why they still think twice? Small money steps, no dice, just math. I ain't post, I just watch them crash. Late night running, D-Wop humming. Price kiss level got filled, no frontin'. Empty inbox, but the racks keep coming. Silk sheets now, but I came from nothing. Golden pocket tucked, I ain't need no light. TP hit, why they still think twice? Small money steps, no dice, just math. I ain't post, I just watch them crash.
God yeah.
Bounce speaking silence in the room. FOMC day. Yeah. Geeked off the math, not emotions. Let's work.
FOMC got me geeking. Wick so deep, tape speaking. Ops in the drawdown tweaking. I'm sizing heavy, breathing even. 2 screens lit, one for the rate. Other for the stops I take. They chase, break out too late. I'm in from the high, they take the bait.
That Fed tone came cold, I'm colder. Tape like lava, my wrist on polar. Click that short like a pop-up soda. Then I vanish, Bugatti motor. Drew that fib rate right on cue. Chart swing while I still move smooth. Ops got hit, not a word, no clue. They on shock, I'm counting through. Ash in the tray, loud in the room. White House talking, I'm winning by noon. Walk in the glass, math in my brain. Size too big, it been a flame.
FOMC got me geeking. Wick so deep, tape speaking. Ops in the drawdown tweaking. I'm sizing heavy, breathing even. 2 screens lit, one for the rate. Other for the stops I take. They chase, break out too late. I'm in
Oh man.
no tweet, no post, just profit. Pal drop heat, I caught it. They call
Boom, boom, boom.
I catch racks, they catch loss. Got rich off the Fed play pressure. Ops hit by, I apply that measure. 1 minute chart look like a stretcher. I'm playing chess, they playing guesses. FOMC, that's my super.
Boom, 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 boom. Well, not lots of things in play, right? Whether we bounce there, or there, or we end up cleaning these poor lows, do the full day rotation.
Wick so deep, tape speaking. Ops in the drawdown tweaking. I'm sizing heavy, breathing even.
Which liquidities below us?
One for the rate, other for the stops I take. They chase, break out too late. I was in at the fake.
Interesting.
Watch 'em break.
Actually, a decent amount building below us. 1, 2, 5, 1, 1, 3, 3. Right here-ish. Interesting. Curious if we end up doubling back for that, right? Kind of talked about this yesterday.
Now the table
This whole idea. Would be mathing pretty spot on, right? Show to the math. Was like a higher time frame failed auction of like the value area low. Yeet. Assuming that actually happens, right? Let's not get carried away. Let's get ahead of ourselves. One of many possibilities.
Chart went up, now the sky ain't blue. Rose in the drive, mama got one. Bro got keys to a drop top run. Unk on the jet, he ain't never done coach. Said it's all luck, I just stuck to approach. They laugh. Now they living what I saw. The math was always enough.
Interesting. Anyways, we'll leave that to resolve itself while we sit here chillin'. 29 minutes on this next 30-minute candle. Okay. I see what I mean, like this, like these blocks and these blocks. There's two different TPOs. Point of controls. Seeing one's lower. Plus there's like an RTH single print here. Interesting. Anyways, I'm sure people will be entertaining the backtest of this Golden Pocket and VWAP. Shout out to the math. Shout out to the math. Let's get this stuff out of here.
Diamonds out the drawdown. Now the charts look clean, and the wrist got frost now. Whispers turn loud, but I still move ghost town. Only thing I ever chased was math, not cloud. Late night running, VWAP humming. Price kiss level, got feel no frontin'. Empty and box, but the racks keep coming. Silk sheets now, but I came from nothing. Golden pocket tuck, I ain't need no light. TP hit, why they still think twice? Smart money steps, no dice, just math. I ain't post, I just watch them crash. Late night running, VWAP humming. Price kiss level, got feel, no frontin'. Empty inbox, but the racks keep coming. Silk sheets now, but I came from nothing. Golden pocket tuck, I ain't need no light. TP hit, why they still think twice? Smart money steps, no dice, just math. I ain't post, I just watch them crash. Backseat charts, coupe dash digital. Bins move silent, gains residual. Stared at the screen till my soul went critical. Now I sip slow with a view that's biblical. No sleep, just plans and feels. Back test deep like I'm hunting for kills. Wrote the script, they follow the thrill. Thought I printed that map, let them chase the hills. Vested in zones they don't even see. Dash line bounce, that's prophecy. Didn't believe, now they copy me. But math ain't something you fake gonna be. Late night running, VWAP humming. Price kiss level, got filled, no frontin'. Empty inbox, but the rats keep coming. Silk sheets now, but I came from nothing. Golden pocket tuck, I ain't need no light. TP hit, why they still think twice? Smart money steps, no dice, just math. I ain't post, I just watch them crash. Late night running, VWAP humming. Price kiss level, got filled, no frontin'. Empty inbox, but the rats keep coming. Silk sheets now, but I came from nothing. Golden pocket tuck, I ain't need no light. TP hit, why they still think twice? Smart money steps, no dice, just math. I ain't post, I just watch them crash.
Wick, tapper, stop, snatcher. Price bounce pixel on the matcher. They chase green, I stagger. Fade the move, no swagger. Flash that wick, then vanish. Got that, now they panic. No luck, just a static. That math hit, automatic. Wick, tapper, stop, snatcher. Price bounce pixel on the matcher. They chase green, I stagger. Fade the move, no swagger. Flash that wick, then vanish. Got that, now they panic. No luck, just a static. That math hit, automatic. Wick, tapper, stop, snatcher. Price bounce pixel on the matcher. They chase green, I stagger. Fade the move, no swagger. Flash that wick, then vanish. Got now they panic. No luck, just a static. That math hit, automatic. Wick, tapper, stop, snatcher. Price bounce pixel on the matcher. They chase green, I stagger. Fade the move, no swagger. Flash that wick, then vanish. Got now they panic. No luck, just a static. That math hit, automatic.
God damn, god damn. I have to go yap for a little bit on the phone. I don't know how long that will be exactly.
PP I just dropped. We trade that. Math, Rex, Ice. PP I pop count up Rex. Math too strong, I ain't fall for the trap. Go AP, got a face all black. That'll hit clean, made the wrist go crack. Richard Mill tick when the spike retract. Chart went red, now the coupe all matte. Stats don't lie, got the haters all flat. Made one move, now I'm up like that. Hopped in the market like who won't smoke. They long that wick, I broke they hope. Back this deep scene where it poke. Then drop that size, that precision cloak. Wrist game look like a data stream. PPI 5 got me sipping lean. Told my jeweler chart that gleam. Stats on lock, I just print the dream. PPI pump, count up racks. Math too real, I don't trust no yak. Two-tone rollie, the best mismatch. Price went dumb, I let that pass. Chart went ghost, then I fade like flash. Big boy feels no need to bash. Candle wick low, then I let that slash. Ops got clapped off a retail stash. Micro move, but the payout large. Price that hit, now I swipe that charge. Bag at face look like a chart. All on PPI play my part. Math too icy, flows too cold. PPI hit, then I went gold. Bought new yacht off a mean threshold. Blue face day, never get sold. I ain't need no luck, just stats and time.
Bum 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 bum. 10-10. I don't know how much time we're gonna have.
PPI pump, count up racks. Math too strong, I ain't fall for the trap. Go AP, got a face all black. That a hit clean, made the wrist go crack. Richard Mill tick when a spike retract. Chart went red, now the coupe all matte. Stats don't lie, got the haters all flat. Made one move, now I'm up like that. Marcos.
Marcos. Shout out to the DJ. God, God damn.
No rush, don't chase that move. Price jump high, I just watch it groove. You buy breakouts, I fade that proof. Charts talk clean, no need for truth. No FOMO, I let it breathe. Math my map, I plant my seeds. You ain't green, then red, then blue. I just wait, then take what I need.
Any questions? Is everyone planned, prepared, ready to go? Or not? Or not? Or not?
That's not my lane. You tweet hype, I study range. Price need test, I don't engage. Too many trades, you build a cage. Glow in the screen, but the hands stay still. Everyone rush, I move off skill. They want action, I want fills. Let them burn, I build from chill. Don't chase that move. Price jump high, I just watch it groove. You buy breakouts, I fade that proof. Charts talk clean, no need for truth. No FOMO, I let it breathe. Math my map, I plant my seeds. You in green, then red, then plead. I just wait, then take what I need. Yeah. Let them chase, let them scream. I wait and take it clean. Marcos.
Oh gosh.
Marcos. Yeah. Ray tight. Cut that. Talk to me, Jerome. Let's go. They wait on Jerome, I wait on my zone. He press that mic, I press that phone. POC tag, I'm in my throne. Ray go up, I'm still full grown. Yellow dash hit pixel snipe. Cut or hike, I trade that hype. Doves or hawks, they sweat all night. But I just fade, the math too right. Whip got clocks like the Fed got fear. Hold that squat when the dot plot near. Traders scream, I sip that clear. They got stops, I engineer. Headlines panic, I just glance. Levels hold like luxury pants. 618 my entry dance. FOMC, that's just advanced. Jerome speak loud, I whisper back. Caught that spike, then flip the stack. Balance sheet look wild on track, but I got feels, no time for they late on Jerome, I wait on my zone. He press that mic, I press that phone. POC tagged, I'm in my throne. Rate go up, I'm still full grown. Hello dash hit pixel snipe. Cut a hike, I trade that hype. Dubs are hawks, they sweat all night, but I just fade, the math too right. Liquidity sweep then breaks. Fade that wick, I clean that plate. 2-point move off FOMC, but I was there pre-debate. Macro flow, no tweets, just big size and order sheets. Jerome talk yields, I talk cheat codes. Market move slow, I beat those. Smart money view my craft. No emotion, just math. Marco's chart got goal lines, and Fed days make them all laugh. Move the mic, but we move size. He talk hikes, we talk fills. They chase candles, we chase bills. This ain't no hype, this real skill. They wait on Jerome, I wait on my zone. He press that mic, I press that phone. POC tagged, I'm in my throne. Rate go up, I'm still full grown. Yellow dash hit pixel snipe. Cut a hike, I trade that hype. Doves are hawks, they sweat all night, but I just fade, the math too right.
My phone. Gotta make sure we're paying attention to this. Also, let's pay attention to this too, right? Although we don't need to be paying attention ourselves too much. Curious if this low gets clean, right? If we leave like a good low down here. There's definitely a world where we like just tap this and go. Not like out below, yeah. We go to the imbalance below.
Yeah. Marcos. Loud in me spliff, that time me brain. Watch this. Loud in the wood, charts in the frame. Smoke it. Hit the retrace, cook in the game. Cooking. Puffin' trees, wild price, go tame. Chopping. Soon as a spike, I take aim. Big gas, big bags, we lit. Flame. Red box, wick, get twisted. She like how I trade, how I live. Marco. Smoke and math, that's the gift.
box wick get twisted. She like how I trade, how I live. Marco, smoke and math, that's the gift. Run it. Big spliff roll, it's a lot of flame. Entry sweet, but the risk insane. View up park, then I ride that lane. Golden pocket, bounce off range. Youths them cap on Twitter.com. I sip mint tea while they blow funds. My shit is sharp with the fibs and guns. Drop 5, price turn and run. Island breeze in a high-rise views. I see charts, they see news. They panic, I just cruise. I light up while they lose. Loud in the wood, charts in the frame. Hit the retrace, cook in the game. Puffin' trees while price go tame. Soon as it spike, I take aim. Big gas, big bags, we lit. Rack. Red box wick, get twisted. Liquid. She like how I trade, how I live. Marco, smoke and math, that's the gift. Blessed. Charts go rhythm like rhythm spontaneous. 1-2 move, I set that fate. They bite, boom, I flip that fate. Green on my screen while I blow that grape. Backwood thick, entry thin. They chase moves, I move within. Risk is fine, but style unhinged. Profit pool looking like a win. Cool head, hot lungs, big muff. Ups long highs, I let that crash. Island boy with a Wall Street craft. She say I glow, that's the flash. Loud in the wood, charts in the frame. Hit the retrace, cook in the game. Puffin' trees while price go tame. Soon as it spike, I take aim. Big gas, big bags, we lit. Red box with
Okay, you gotta go for a bit to yap. We'll be back in a little bit. No, you all talk about, right? Are we losing this golden pocket or not? First question. Second of all, are we clearing these lows and leaving behind a good low here and on CME or not? And if not, then, you know, are we cleaning the bad low down here? Or not, right? Or not. So, we'll be back in not too long. We'll kind of just, should we reset this from the top and just kind of leave it? Sure.
Marcos, trade safe. Still it though. Ay, it's a risk right. I don't lose light. Stop set tight like a dress all night. Not so clean it feel like flight. I don't guess, I just play it right. Risk right, it's a glow up move. Plan so fly, I don't need to prove. They go wild, I just stay smooth. 1 or 3 hit, now I'm in the groove. I ain't blowing up no bag, that's wild. Never. Chart looks sweet, but I wait a while. Wait, they go full send, I go precise. Hit that stop once, not twice. I step clean, tight game on lock. That wrist small, but the gang gon' pop. While they panic, I just chill. I stop like silk, soft but real smooth. Risk right, I don't lose light. Stop set tight like a dress all night. Map so clean, it feel like flight. I don't guess, I just play it right. Risk right, it's the glow up move. Plan so fly, I don't need to prove. They go wild, I just stay smooth. 1 or 3 hit, now I'm in the groove. Keep it tight, never too loose. I set that line, then let it juice. You chase green, I choose blue. Manage risk, that's how I move. Keep it tight, never too loose. I set that line, then let it juice. You chase green, I choose blue. Manage risk, that's all night. Risk right, I don't lose light. Stop set tight like a dress all night. Not so clean, it feel like flight. I don't guess, I just play it right. Risk right, it's the glow up move. Plan so fly, I don't need to prove. They go wild, I just stay smooth. 1 or 3 hit, now I'm in the groove.
Wait for the 30. Hold up. Don't rush and don't get dirty. Patience make it flirty. Confirmation coming sturdy. Wait for the 30. Hold up. Don't rush and don't get dirty. Patience make it flirty. Confirmation coming sturdy. Candle close, mean truth. Jumping early, that's uncool. Body big, wig tight. Now I snipe that move just right. Ops impulsive, caught in traps. Me, I'll wait, then I snap. Time to tick, I don't twitch. Level hold, I'm getting rich. Blah, 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 blah. Just a few more minutes now. Wanna jump, don't do it now. Let it print, let it ride. Then we gliding on the tide. Wait for the 30. Hold up, don't rush and don't get dirty. Patience make it 30. Confirmation coming sturdy. Wait for the 30. Hold up, don't rush and don't get dirty. Patience make it flirty. Confirmation coming sturdy. The FOMO and I breathe slow. Timer flash. That's my go. No emotion, pure control. Marco's math. That's how I roll. When the 30 close, I shine. Hit my zone, perfect line. No regrets, just the climb. This my trade, this my time. When the 30 close, I shine. Hit my zone, perfect line. No regrets, just the climb. This my trade, this my time.
Marco's running numbers, yeah, the math too tight. All-time highs got them pressed on sight. They talking down, we just moving through the spite. Breaking out the chart while they lose in the fight. All-time high, now they mad again. Candle breaking out, price back on 10. Profit in the bag, racks never been. I just ride the math, don't need no friends. Golden pocket hit, yeah, I double in. Haters talking slick, never cashing in. Pixel perfect touch, then I win again. All-time high, they can't pretend. Smoking on logic, the chart hit a lift. Marco's got precision, entry was swift. Dead ops crying, they fumbled the shift. I'm cooking up mad like I'm whipping a brick. 618 with a 702. Stack the Fibonacci, now the bag come through. Wrote my lines, market came like glue. How you mad? I knew what the math would do. All-time high, now they mad again. Candle breaking out, price back on 10. Profit in the bag, racks never been. I just ride the math, don't need no friends. Golden pocket hit, yeah, I double in. Haters talking slick, never cashing in. Pixel perfect touch, then I win again. All-time high, they can't pretend. I ain't looking left, that's trap talk. They stuck in drawdown, we lap y'all. Price break, range, that's jackpot. I print on rate, they no back talk. Imaginary line still hitting on cue. While they chasing hype, I'm chilling with view. Lambo dreams, that's my walkthrough. Chart look clean like it's dressed in new. All-time high, now they mad again. Candle breaking out, price back on 10. Profit in the bag, racks never been. I just ride the math, don't need no friends.
Target lock, yeah, hit it with precision. Price pull back, then I nailed the position. Boom. Wrist on chart, yeah, the math got the vision. Ice. Dancing in the green, yeah, we live in the mission.
level, draw the zone, place the line. Price tap once, then it bounce right on time. I don't chase, I wait, let it come to me. Hit that TP like a shot from 3. Club lights flash, straight locked in. Profit running like it's trying to win. I ain't emotional, I'm surgical. All my feels look vertical. He's so clean with the wrist control. PT 1, 2, 3, let it roll. Wanna dance while the charts unfold. That Marco's math hit different. Target lock, yeah, hit it with precision. Price pull back, then I nailed the position. Boom, wrist on chart, yeah, the math got the vision. Ice, dancing in the green, yeah, we live in the mission. TP get in touch like it's made for me. Math so tight, it obeys the key. Things love the flow, it's Fibonacci smooth. 6-6 tag, then we bust that move. Pushing profits like it's late night gas. Stop loss, break even, we moving fast. Winning like I'm wired to the plan. Every target hit, I don't need no chance. Hit that target, hit that line. Math in motion, perfect time. No emotion, just a grind. Marco's lock, profit shine. Yeah. Yeah, hit it with precision. Price pull back, then I nailed the position. Wrist on chart, yeah, the math got the vision. Dancing in the green, yeah, we live in the mission.
Hey, talking charts, talking facts, emotions, that's trash. Woo! It's Marcos. Let's go. The math is the math. Don't care how you feel, just run the stat. You pray for pumps. I plan the path, you scalp that wick. The math is the math. Yo, edge ain't real, that wrist too flat. I don't chase green. I stacked and dash. I said it before. And now you got smashed. Trade too clean. Set up cold. Candle tap, I enter bold. Stop loss tight, I'm in control. You over leverage, pay that toll. Risk per trade, I size that light. You size from hope, I size from right. Edge confirmed, I press at night. Wake up rich, you tweet your fight. No strategy, that's just noise. Back this week, you just a voice. I run that sim, I ride with poise. You trade regret, I trade with choice. The math is the math. Don't care how you feel, just run the stat. You pray for pumps. I plan the path, you scalp that wick. The math is the math. Yo, edge ain't real, that wrist too flat. I don't chase green. I stacked then dash, I said it before. And now you got smashed. Proper risk to find. You guess the move, I read the sign. Your trade's a wish, mine's designed. I run the stats, then press rewind. Your whole month, one of my trades, you drop 10K. I just get paid, you scalp the heat. I shade that flame, you hope for more. I built the game, gamma stacked. Delta loaded. Your stop loss just exploded. I draw that zone, then I encode it. You fake conviction, I'm devoted.
It's not emotion. It's not hype. It's numbers. You lost because you never knew what you were even doing. The math.
The math is the math. Don't care how you feel, just run the stat. You pray for pumps. I plan the path, you scalp that wick. The math is the math. Yo, edge ain't real, that wrist too flat. I don't chase green. I stacked and dash. I said it before. And now you got smashed.
No emotion. No guessing. Just math. Marcos. Got him.
They chase the spike. I wait for V. Walk. Yeah. Marcos slide. Wait for V. Walk, let it flip. Don't front run, I let it dip. They jump high, I let it snap.
Back in range, I set the trap. Wait for VWAP, watch the hold. They chase heat, I play cold. If a break in close is clean, then I step in, build that lean. Slide, get that lean, get that lean, get that lean. Slide, get that lean, get that lean, get that lean. Slide, get that lean, get that lean, get that lean. Slide, get that lean. You hit by cause the candle grew. I watched tape, I already knew. That moves weak, no bit behind. That spike, you love this mine. I don't touch it off first touch. Gotta see if it means that much. VWAP rolling, I stay still. They gamble quick, I hunt the fill. They in fast, I wait for data. One false break and I'm the fader. No confirmation, that's a ghost. They got, I just toast. Wait for VWAP, let it flip. Don't front run, I don't let it dip. They jump high, I let it snap. Back in range, I set the trap. Wait for VWAP, watch the hold. They chase heat, I play cold. If a break in close is clean, then I step in, build that lean. Sweat it lean, it lean, it lean. Price above, but not for long. No, no hope. Too strong. Fade that pump, fade that pride. Volume light, I slide. VWAP tested, but it failed. They long the wick, I scale. Traps that perfect, I inhale. You play noise, I play detail. Volume weighted, pressure speaks. I let them chase for weeks. When they scream new highs, that's when my entry sneaks. Wait for VWAP, let it flip. Don't front run, I let it dip. They jump high, I let it snap. Back in range, I set the trap. Wait for VWAP, watch the hold. They chase heat, I play cold. If a break in close is clean, then I step in, build that lean. I lean, I lean, I lean, I lean. Wait for VWAP. Don't guess. Just know. Marcos.
Wow. Woo, woo. Marco's trade. With a hat. Pepper look mad. I'm up 6 figs off a Farcoin bag. Yeah, let's go. Dog with hat, I'm waving the leash. Turn to a milli from nothing but means. Bonk hit a fib, I'm letting it squeeze. Chill got eyes, no stress, just bees. Dogs from $1 to dream. Farcoin fly that chart obscene. Paper print, them frogs got green. I top ticking these jokes unseen. Popcat scream when the tape go out. I'm deep in the net like a memmed out child. Don't need white papers, don't need trial. Just pixel frogs and degens pile. Bag too fat, wallet obese. Heavy. Chart go up with 0 piece. Gas fee high, but the bag increase. Front run hype like I wrote the piece. Buy low with a GIF on deck. Elon tweet and I clear my check. Snipe them coins, no pause, no sweat. Every pump I swing with tech. Dog with hat, I'm waving the leash. Turn to a milli from nothing but means. Bonk hit a fib, I'm letting it squeeze. Chill got eyes, no stress, just bees. Dog from $1 to dreams. Farcoin fly that chart obscene. Paper print, them frogs got green. I'm top ticking these jokes unseen. I don't chase, they chase that cat. Popcat moon, I just sat back. NFT face, but a pumping stats. Went from jokes to a Lambo rap. My watch say bye, it's a meme clock face. Got a whiff PFP in a multi-place. Never know what I trade, that's part of the taste. Memcoin sniper with a shadow base. Cold with it, I laugh, they beg. Buy on dip while they lose a leg. High risk plays, but the math still fed. Turn Farcoin gas to a billion thread. Dog with hat, I'm waving a leash. Turn to a milli from none but means. Bong hit a fib, I'm letting it squeeze. Chill got eyes, no stress, just bees. Dog from $1 to dream. Farcoin fly that chart obscene. Paper print, them frogs got green. I'm top ticking these jokes unseen. If it's dumb, it's probably gold. If it bark or blink, I'm in. Marcos.
Target lock, yeah, I hit it with precision. Price pull back, then I nailed the position. Wrist on chart, yeah, the math got the vision. Ice dancing in the green, yeah, we living the mission.
with the wrist control. PT 1, 2, 3, let it roll. Wanna dance while the charts unfold. That Marcos math hit different, whoa. Target lock, yeah, I hit it with precision. Price pull back, then I nailed the position. Wrist on chart, yeah, the math got the vision. Ice dancing in the green, yeah, we living the mission. TP get in touch like it's made for me. Math so tight it obeys the key. Tings love the flow, it's Fibonacci smooth. 6-6 tag, then we bust that move. Pushing profits like it's late night gas. Stop, loss, break even, we moving fast. Winning like I'm wired to the plan. Every target hit, I don't need no chance. Hit that target, hit that line. Math in motion, perfect time. No emotion, just the grind. Marcos lock, profit shine. Target lock, yeah, I hit it with precision. Price pull back, then I nailed the position. Wrist on chart, yeah, the math got the vision. Dancing in the green, yeah, we living the mission.
Yeah. Marcos.
Hey, long top.
Yeah. It's time to light up that hopium. Smoking on bullpack, rolling up bulls in the wood. Green candle trap, thought they understood, but they top ticked hype, I knew they would. Ash on the desk from the overlongs, now I'm chilling with the trend gone wrong. They saw breakout, I saw bait, I fade emotions, low that way. Pulled up slow in the matte black whip, they max long highs, now they stuck in the dip. Told them the math, but they moved on the tip, so I twisted their trades in a platinum zip. Champagne cold, but the tape's still hot, they ape that wick, I flip the spot. Market makers copy my plot, while bulls blow bags, I take the lot. Top signals in they tweets, I hedge it deep while they chase repeats. They FOMO buys, I short they feats, now I'm rolling green off their defeat. Smoking on bullpack, rolling up bulls in the wood. Green candle trap, thought they understood, but they top ticked hype, I knew they would. Ash on the desk from the overlongs, now I'm chilling while the trend gone wrong. They saw breakout, I saw bait, I fade emotion, I load that weight. Hopium loud, but the math too clear. The stops got hit, that's music to ear. I'm deep in the books, I engineer. The trap so slick, it wiped their chair. They call Moon, I said mean reversion. Fibonacci slapping with a market excursion. DJ and Bulls gotta force immersion. Now that they wrecked, I'm blessed, no version. Cherry wood tray with the bull pack lit. Liquidation candle, that's my hit. They bought the euphoria, I flipped the script. Now I'm twisting their dreams and design a zip. Smoke clouds where the longs once stood. They bought the top, I knew they would. Hopium loud, that's my good. They burn, I earn understood. Smoking on bullpack, rolling up bulls in the wood. Green candle trap, thought they understood, but they top tick hype, I knew they would. Ash on the desk from the overlong, now I'm chilling where the trend gone wrong. They saw breakout, I saw bait, I fade emotion, I load that way. Hey, Marcos, hey, top bar smoke. Hey, the math is the math. Hey, you got again.
That week ain't real.
That hype.
Poor Marcos. They reach for stop. I reach for gains.
SFD at the value high. With grand stops, then kiss goodbye. They bought the break,
Now value low, that's where I sit. Pour high, no excess on sight. They force the wick, I dim the light. Sweep that zone, then drop it right. Back in the box, that auction tight. Belly area high, no close to hold. They chase that wick, got left in cold. That breakout candle, purely sold. I feel that fade, now I print bold. Volume thin where they overreact. I see the trap, I don't get jacked. That was a grab, I map that tack. SFE clean, I slide that stack. No structure, no close. That's the trap. That's a ghost. Value low, I bid that base. They panicked high. I took their place. SFB at the value high. Wick grand stops, then kiss goodbye. They bought the break, I sold that lie. Back in range, they wonder why. Polo sweet, I caught that bid. Fade that fade, then let it slid. They long the trap, I slid and flipped. Now value low, that's where I sit. Liquidity grabbed, I let it burn. Back to balance, I wait my turn. They lost the edge, they never learn. S&P hit, my profits churn. She love my calm, I play too rare. They wanna chase, I trap with care. One wick spike, I'm in midair. They stop out loud, I breathe that air. They read the hype, I read the tape. They bought that wick, I watch escape. No follow through, then it's too late. That swing failed, I claim my ray.
Accepter, what's that?
SFP at the value high. Wick grand stops, then kiss goodbye. They bought the break, I sold that lies. Back in range, they wonder why. Polo sweet, I caught that bid. Fade that fake, then let it slip. They long the trap, I slid and flipped. Now value low, that's where I sit.
You came exactly where I'm at. Didn't chase, didn't flinch, take profit. Take profit. Take profit, I let it breathe. Didn't need to watch it leave it. Touch the line, no sound, no fight it. Hit the mark, then move from sight. Take profit, that's silent when no loud boast. No need to spin, I watched it come just like the chart. A perfect exit from the start. Take profit. I placed it low when no one looked. Below the wick, beneath the book, they laughed at patience, mark the weight, but price curved back, aligned with fate. No need to rush, no need to guess. I took the zone, ignored the mess. They screamed for more. I stayed the plan and watched it fill, just like I ran. Take profit. Take like it hurt me, Marcos.
Top faders. Right. Marcos in the B-side. We don't chase pumps, fool. We fade them. Bump the math, Pyro print.
Skirting full of beat, dude.
Treetop faders, catching that top. You loan too early, we letting you drop. Jumping green, we loading them shots. Market ain't gangster, but math get high. I don't chase no bounces, I don't buy no dreams. I let y'all pump, then I fade them schemes. Math been red like a set on flame. Stop hunt clean, who you think run game? Bugatti parked on Rosecrans stripes. Penthouse high, but the wrist on ice. Ops go long, we laughing back. Got 'em smoked out, candle pack. Ran my fibs, let the chart drip slow. I'm treetop faded, you faded, hope. AP bust like a 38 poke. Hit that zone, now your margin broke. Treetop faders, catching that top. You long too early, we letting you drop. You jumping green, we loaded them shots. Market ain't gangster, but math get high. Treetop faders, catching that top. You long too early, we letting you drop. You jumping green, we loading them shots. Market ain't gangster, but math get high. You say breakout, we say bait. You running fast, we lay that plate. SL hit, that's chain reaction. You bought fake highs, we fade with passion. B-chain swing when the field get placed. Double R drift like it's past your pace. You beg for trend, we pray for range. And bleed the top like a Pyro name. She asked why red, I said that's clean. Red Rari deep like treetop lean. Back this red, but the profit's green. B on my belt, but the charts stay mean. Treetop faders, catching that top. You long too early, we letting you drop. You jumping green, we loading them shots. Market ain't gangster, but math get high. Treetop faders, catching that top. You long too early, we letting you drop. You jumping green, we loading them shots. Market ain't gangster, but math get high. I'm riding trends, we end them. Chart get jumped, we slide in silence. Treetop, fade God, Marcos.
Marcos, locked in. No missing. No slipping. TP hit, that's clean incision. Line got tagged with no revision. Mapped it once, I saw the vision. Tray so tight, it cut precision. Glowing screen, I'm in my pocket. Profit stack, no need to talk it. Numbers dance, I let it rock it. Math on point and they can't mock it. Got my zones drawn perfect, no cap. Entry so clean it could nap. Snipe that field, then watch this snap. Quick kiss line, then boom it clap. Woke up late, still hit my TP. Didn't chase, just played it deeply. Level set like fine machinery. They guess wild, I trade discreetly. Tight stocks, big gains. Wrote my move and watched it rain. They play games, I stay sane. Profit and I leave no stain. TP hit, that's clean incision. Line got tagged with no revision. Mapped it once, I saw the vision. Trade so tight, it cut precision. Glowing screen, I'm in my pocket. Profit stack, no need to talk it. Numbers dance, I let it rock it. Math on point and they can't mock it. Precision, precision. No guessing, just vision. No friction, no friction. The mission. Where's B? Where's B?
Precision, precision. No guessing, just vision. No fiction, no fiction. That fear was the mission.
Ella no baila por vibes, ella baila por datos. Drop it low.
En la Golden,
Marcos.
y tu eso.
What?
She don't miss, hit the zone exacto. Golden pocket, body perfecto. She pull back deep like retroceso. They ride that wave sin pretexto. Cadera mueve como price and trend. Bounce down clean, Fibonacci bend. She dip like algo, grip like pen. And that entry click we send. No adivino, I calculate. She ride my line, I match her rate. She don't chase green, she make it bait. And when she drop, I seal that fate. Drop it low, and la Golden. Bounce so tight, had to hold it. TP hit, now she on it. Math too clean, can't clone it. Drop it low, en la zona clave. Entry firme, nunca suave. Wrist so sweet, como clave. Golden pocket, ella sabe. Yo la marco, ella entra en swing. Body moving like candles bring. Wick so deep, gotta hedge that sin. Stop so tight when I trade that thing. No lo dejo pa' después. Back destined on a dress. Price just math and she impressed. She scream Marcos a finesse. No emoción, solo precisión. Ella baila como la cotización. Breakout clean, she love the zone. And when she drop, that's home. Drop it low, and la Golden. Bounce so tight, had to hold it. TP hit, now she own it. Math too clean, can't clone it. Drop it low en la zona clave. Entry firme, nunca suave. Wrist so sweet, como clave. Golden pocket, ella sabe. Lo marco lento, lo siento exacto. Él no adivina, él hace el acto. Baila pa'l trade, no por contrato. Golden touch, yo me impacto. Yeah. Ella no se mueve por suerte, ella se mueve por niveles. Golden Pocket, Marcos.
Yeah. You thought it was testnet now. It's real fun, it's real feel, it's real math.
Scar, y'all lean up. Yeah. They think I'm trading on testnet, cause I make it look too clean. Said no one get rich that fast. Must be similar demo scheme. I place that bid, I hit that TP. Now I'm somewhere you ain't seen. They trade with fear, I trade with cold. This price move bill off machine. Rolls outside and the seat still warm. Penthouse trades and my wrist got storms. They hit margin, I hit Malone. They need signals, I move calm. Balance real, them feels hit fast. You still pray, I back this pass. My edge live, no fake account. You click hope, I click amounts. They think it's test. Nope. But it's all real facts. Big trade hit, boom. Then I sign deals. Sign it. Stress on charts, them. I'm just chill.
Okay. We back. Missed absolutely nothing. As usual, right? World of Trading missed nothing 99% of the time.
I'm out here scheming. Woke up clear 5 figures. Didn't even leave that villa. One click trade got triggered. Chart came down, I drill her. They think it's capped, I let them talk. While I withdraw the vaults and yachts. You post games, I post results. You hold hopes, I hold them pumps. Wrist on low, book on stealth. Draw down low, account got health. They crowd form.
Everything else doing.
I fake candles, print from wealth. Ain't no demo, this real depth. I don't bluff, I just press left. You see a wick, I see a check. You ride fear, I ride finesse. They think it's test. Cap. But it's all real. Live. Big trade hit. Bang. Then I sign deals. Done. Stress on charts. Them. I'm just chill. They can't believe it. Nah. The math too ill. They think it's fake. Nope. It's just that type. That stop too clean.
What should we leave it? Should we leave it here or should we leave it on the other charts, right? Over here, right? Just kind of see what the indexes are doing. See what the futures are up to. While we continue to nerd out. Also, did anything happen with the open interest? Probably not. No. Okay, cool. Gone for like 40 minutes, up to speed in 10 seconds. Boom, boom. New 30-minute candle just printed. Okay. We'll leave the DJ doing his thing, unless anyone has any questions, yeah? Any questions? We're not. Got about an hour left of nerding out here, right? How long has it been? 2 hours, 50 minutes. Chris, we're gonna sweep these lows at the 7.5 before then. We're not. Shout out to the math. Shout out to the planning. Shout out to the preparation. Shout out to all these juicy trades. Shout out to a juicy July. Juicy August incoming inbound.
Studying the players, but the math too clean. Let's go. They envy the field.
How'd see me end up doing? Same story.
I don't chase no hype, I just sit and chill. They move with fear, I move with will. Facts. I'm floating above them, that V-Wop thrill. I trap they stops, then I press for the kill. They draw fake zones, I been the field, whoop it. Their team look shook, I just broke they shield, broke it. Market makers mad, they can't touch the plan. I lay down fields like a beach with sand. Big orders led from the top to the land. They clicking in fear, I type with one hand. Extensions long like the clip on the stick. 7/8 tap, then the profit came quick. They plot on my downfall, still I uplift. They tryna front run, but I'm running the script. Ready to fill, yeah. I'm deep in the charts, got the sniper skills. Scope. I don't chase no hype, I just sit and chill. Post it. They moving with feel, I move with will.
press for the kill. Press. They draw fake zones. I bend the field. They team look shook. I just broke they shield. Math hit me like a Bentley swing. Cuban link heavy when I step in the lane. They reload clips, but I reload brains. Got the fifth game raw, got them stuck in pain. Spoof they orders, make them think it's real. Hit with size, now they beg for a deal. They don't want smoke, they just want a pill. But Marco's cooking filet with the steel. Envy the feel. I'm deep in the charts, got a sniper skill. I don't chase no hype, I just sit and chill. They moving with feel, I move with will. I'm floating above them, that VWAP thrill. I trap they stops, then I press for the kill. They draw fake zones, I bend the field. They team look shook, I just broke they shield.
She don't move her vibes now. She move her Fibonacci. Golden pocket, baby, come ride the retrace with me. Oh. I see you watching from the 0.5, but I know you want that deeper dive. I don't just move for any touch, but baby, you rate me just enough. You wait for pullbacks, I love that pace. You trace my curves like a fairy trace. I drop it low, right on the zone. That golden pocket, I call it home. I drop it low, on the golden pocket. Marco's fix, you know I won't stop it. Bounce back slow, let you time that rocket. We ride the wave and we never lost it. I dip you grip, yeah, you always lock it. Roll 680, girl, I had to clock it. Wrist so tight, but the move so profit. Golden love in a golden pocket, yeah. I don't chase moves, I let them breathe. But you retrace like the air I need. Body aligned like fit precision. You hit that level, I make decisions. Confluence, hips and candles match. You signal clean, I strike the patch. EMA flow, girl, you trend so mean. And you bounce like you know what the market means. Back test my love, it's proven stats. You read my mood like you read those graphs. I don't fake breaks, I stay legit. You don't get caught, you time to dip. You my zone, my setup clean. Scaling slow, then let it steam. Pull me in with that deep precision. Your body's math and I trust the vision. I drop it low, on the golden pocket. White goes back, fix, you know I won't stop it. Bounce back slow, let you time that rocket. We ride the wave and we never lost it. I dip you grip, yeah, you always lock it. Pour 16, girl, I had to clock it. Wrist so tight, but the move so profit. Golden love in the golden pocket, yeah. You don't chase highs, you wait to give. You don't short love, you let it live. We trade and sync, we move with grace. Golden pocket, our favorite place.
It's Marcos. You feel that? That's your liquidation. Got him.
I don't guess, I don't pray, I do math. Golden pocket entry, run it back. Top long, but I'm sure that's your path. Meanwhile, I print yachts off your raft. Stop hunts with my chain, that's a fact. You full mode high, man, that's a trap. Options print in
Go to the math.
I said it once, the math is the math. Fib levels tattered on my Tesla doors. I front run wells while you chase horses.
What's going on over here? Oh damn! Oh damn! I actually swapped this stuff. Okay. We have top of the naked point of controls.
profits. I wake up fed, your candle closes my Rolex thread, and you stop
Do you need the open interest change?
Guess I don't pray, I do math. Golden pocket entry, run it back.
Really?
Long, but I'm sure that's your path. Meanwhile, I print yachts off your rafts. Stop hunts feed my chain, that's a fact. You full mode high, man, that's a trap. Options printing while you crash. I said it once, the math is the math. You bought resistance, that's
So what's up with this monitor?
Run the show and balance field. That's your grave, institutional flow. I surf the wave. V-word bounce, I catch that flight. You revenge trade, I sleep at night. You scout noise, I chart precision. Your broken dreams for my decisions. Delta stacked, I see the lean. My P&L's fat, your screen's just green, but that green turns red. Then you cry. I'm sipping Bordeaux while you ask why. Math don't lie, but you do. You chase pumps, I move through. Your margin cool, buys me suits. Your liquidation paid my pool. I don't guess I don't pray, I do math. Golden pocket entry, run it.
Are we sweeping the value area low or what? What? Marcos Hueytron, another Marcos. What's your Insta, bro? I don't use Insta, bro. So there is no Insta. There is no Insta. You stream every night trading? Yeah, more or less. I mean, I stream during the day. I mean, I should say stream. I trade during the day. But yeah, at nighttime, usually when I'm chilling, I'll like hop on while I'm looking at some of the stuff or reading or doing whatever. Yeah, we do stream every day. Can we show you? Can we show him? Or nah, or nah. How do we get to our channel from here? Bum, 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 bum. Yeah. Every day, streaming for like 4 or 5 hours every single day. Planning our trades ahead of time, right? Nerding out ahead of time, being plan prepared. Then taking these trades after the fact and juicing. Goddamn. Goddamn. Big juice. Actually, not that. How many streams is that now that I think about it, right? Quite a few. I mean, was that? Or like damn near like 3 months straight of streaming. 3 or 4 months straight. Oh yeah, bro, I'll definitely tune in. Do you have a Discord or anything? Or just YouTube strictly giving tips and pointers? Both. I have like a free Discord. You can join, it's in the video description and whatnot. It's not really particularly active, like, I mean, I guess it's like somewhat new with the channel, but it's up to you guys what you want to do with the Discord, right? The main purpose for me is when I'm not streaming, if I'm out of town or whatever, I post the market updates in the market updates section. And also post on going online and whatnot on the stream. But other than that, yeah, like people are in there asking questions and whatnot, I'll answer it, but I'm never just in there just posting randomly nonstop every single day. Right now it's mostly just me posting that I'm gonna go stream or answering people's questions. Where am I from? I'm from Canada. Family is from Europe. Where are you from? Florida? That's incredible. I think you're the first one we have from Florida. A newcomer. We got people from all over. We got international people over here. Shout out to Florida. Shout out to the Florida man. Bum, bum, bum. Shout out to another Marcos. Damn, I got a twin. I got a twin. What's this stuff doing? Okay. Interesting. Yeah, shout out to the Discord though, right? Made it just because some random guy on YouTube asked one day, we made it. Now it's slowly growing, slowly but surely. Plus, it's a nice way to have a bunch of questions written down, right? People can just refer to. Won't ask the same question multiple times. Ask and answer repeatedly. Show to the math.
Market looking hella bearish. Broke that lowest parish. Gone. Matt confirmed I'm fair. Let's go. Heavy shorts, I'm careless. Woo. V-Wop tap the dump. Boom. Volume spike that slump. Crack. Break out clean, no pump.
Are we cleaning these lows or what, right? Or what? Or what? God damn, god damn, god damn. Waiting hours for this, god damn.
careless. Heavy shorts and clothes. VWAP tapped and dumped. Volume spike, that slump.
Time is it? 9 minutes and 30-minute candle. Okay.
TP hit, need more. Reload. Back test, I ignore. That fake bounce on shore. Markers don't guess he measures. High till a low, pure pressure. 702 fake pleasure. I stay short.
Should we do the juice box soon?
Smoking loud while it bleeds. Wrist on ice, it gleams.
Yeah, did anything even change from yesterday? Not really, right? Aside from getting on this potential clean. Maybe that. Other than that, everything's the same, right? This whole thing is still in play. Sweeping up there is still in play, and then so on and so forth, the upside and downside. Not really a whole lot to do in that regard.
Hit press long at the highs, no plan. Chase the green with a trembling hand. Candle wicked, now we don't understand. While I mark that top in the motherland. Fibs don't lie, but emotions do. He saw pump, but I saw through. I sip my tea while the chart unwind. One candle down, now he left behind. You went long where we go short. No bias check, just Twitter talk. That green fooled you into hope. Now you flow while I just coast. Top longer, ooh, you pressed it bad. Now you deep in drawdown looking sad. Top longer, now you can't breathe while I fade that strength and leave with ease. Top longer, that wick don't care. It kissed your field and vanished in air. Top longer, you chased too high. I was selling slow while you kissed the sky. She asked me how I move so light. I said I chart in rhythm, not in fright. I let them long, then I pick my side. While they screaming red, I just glide. Golden pocket like a love affair. One touch, then I'm never there. They spam green, I just set that trap. Then watch it flip, then lean right back. You went long where we go short. No fib, no flow, no candle thought. The breakout, just a break of peace. Now I collect while you beg for release. Top longer. Ooh, you pressed it bad. Now you deep in drawdown looking sad. Tight breakout, just a break of peace. Now I collect while you beg for release. Top longer. That wick don't care. It kissed your field and vanished in air. Top longer. You chased too high. I was stelling slow while you kissed the sky. It's not emotion, it's math, my friend. Price don't love you, it just pretends. So don't chase highs with no clear end, or you'll pay the price for that reckless greed. Top longer, it's a shame to see you bought the lie while I sip my tea. Top longer, hope don't pay, but I get paid every single day. Top longer, next time wait, don't chase the sun at the wrong gate. Top longer, now you know we mark the top and let it go. I fade that fire, you play with flame.
A lot of Binance longs starting to close, yeah. Starting to get got. People that market smash that breakout.
No handouts. Marcos. One shot, had to take it. No sleep, had to make it. Dark nights, cold basement. Now my wrist looking sacred. They ain't cared, it was vacant. No
Got.
Chart glowing is all I knew. Dreams in the gutter soaked in dew. Had a map that line like truth. While they doubted, I aimed and flew. Poverty, pressure, pain on loop. No crowd, just math and a ruthless proof. Didn't need faith, didn't need boost to flip the
God damn.
Tune in. I ain't forget how the silence been. Trading was prayer, yeah. I spoke with sin.
30-minute candle here pretty soon, yeah. Curious if we sweep this before the candle. Potentially SFP this thing.
Oh. Chart and plan, no cosigns, no open hand. But now they see what I became. One shot, and I changed the fam.
Florida, shout out to the Florida man. All buggers are crazy.
Marcos initialized. They move when I place. They pause where I stop. If you know, you know. The math is the math.
Limits, pivots, I'm setting the tone. Sight so deep, price don't move on its own. Flash that wick, that's me in the zone. You chase pumps, I bank and I'm gone. You place dreams, I post limits. Whole trend bends when I send digits. Short the low, that's your ticket. Top gets long, then I flip it. They can't match weight, they adjust the range. One fill hits and the ball looks strange. No news drop, just Marco's placed. Volume spikes when I open space. You call it chance, I call that data. Candle wicks talk, I read them like paper. One big block, I don't move like retail. I draw the line, you call it a detail. Options box like shipping crates. IV higher than I rotate. You stress losses, I stress Greeks. You move for clout, I move discreet. Lied on pose and I came out vapes. When I get fall, I'm a laughing state. I'm a lifting out with my neck so tape. Fix up, fixed up, car and a brace. Limits, pivots, I'm setting the tone. Sight so deep, price don't move on its own. Flash that wick, that's me in the zone. You chase pumps, I bank and I'm gone. You place dreams, I post limits. Whole trend bends when I send digits. Short the low, that's your ticket. Top gets long, then I flip it. Broker store, they can't fill mine, so they widen spreads and delay time. News don't move it, tweets don't phase. It's Marco's trades that bend the wave. Fake outs live where I place bait. Whole trend shifts off, risk I rate. Top gets squeezed while I sell calm. Your moon is my exit, thanks for the palm. Golden zone, that's my canvas. You chart hope, I move like an atlas. Leverage max, that's harvest season. They get got and don't know the reason.
You say it's luck, but I've seen this loop. You caught the spike, I wrote the scoop. Your stops fun suits, I'm my next booth. You trade belief, I execute truth.
Limits, pivots, this ain't a guess. Risk gets taxed while I compress. No reaction, I pre-play stress. Your whole edge, I repossess. You felt the shift, but I placed the weight. They say worlds move the sea, but I own the tide. The math is the math.
I put in the work, now the market my baby. Chart like curves and the flow drive me crazy. Standard def tight, I know when she breaks, she give me that wick, I just need one shake. I calculate love like it's volume weighted. She move with rhythm, never outdated. One sigma shift, I'm deep in my lane. Trade runs smooth while I hold her frame. Fibonacci touch, now she calling my name. 618, is she feeling the flame? She asked how I know, I just smile and explain. Delta was dry, but I saw the game. It's too easy when you do it right. Math so clean it turned dark to light. It's too easy when you know the vibe. One retrace and we both align. It's too easy when you study deep. No chase, we just let it repeat. It's too easy, now the price obey. And whispering charts in a sweet delay. You drew that fib, now I ride that line. Touch my zone with that entry fine. No need to rush, I respect your pace. I see the math in the way you trace. You plot that swing like you read my soul. Pull back soft, but your logic bold. RSI low, I was feeling weak till you brought that flow. Now I
Minute candle, right? Some nice single prints left behind. Be very curious if these start to go as this is about to like tap this. I'm sure people are definitely looking to entertain this long. They're definitely looking to entertain that thing. The little thing. What was the heat map looking like down here? It was down here, right? Most of it was like, I believe, here by single prints. Just 1, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this whole like inefficiency basically.
Charts in a sweet delay.
How you know the bounce like that? Because the fib don't lie. And what if I test that level? Then I'll buy the dip every time.
The math is the math, and we don't miss.
All those long turn to flip a short now too, right? A little alarming.
Champagne chart, white screen glow, backlight slow. Every pip we let it show, never low.
We'll really leave our phone out. Oh.
Math locked in, we stole the show. You ain't know. Ran it back, they set the stop. Feel that level. Marked it clean, then let it drop. Just one shot. I don't chase, I let it pop. That don't flop. One more
Boom, 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 boom.
Yeah, Marcos. Lights low, charts glow. Load in the air, my think control. Yeah. I puff that fire, then load that size. I trust the line, they trust in lies. Low in the wick, I
But how's this coming along? I'm just gonna do open interest on my computer. I'll do stuff on my laptop. Don't need to be too particularly active right now given the state of things. Well, maybe we should be more mindful of ETH, right? Getting into like an ETH long. Probably should have been doing that. Probably should have been looking at this while I was on my phone earlier. In the middle of our YAP session. Yeah, we'll definitely keep that in mind while I look some stuff up here.
Midnight screen light on my face. Price low creeping, I hold grace. They want breakout, I want base. Me and risk, we never race. Smoke curl up like liquidation. I wait my time, no imitation. They short the low, I hit rotation. Run, they stops, pure elevation. I puff that fire, then load that size. I trust the line, they trust in lies. Low in a wick, I optimize. You feeling hope, I strategize. Shots on mute, no need for chat. They guessing moves, I place.
Oh yeah, I never had a protein shake. I was wondering, I'm like, damn, I'm pretty hungry right now. What's going on? Because we munched earlier. Started the stream, we were munching away. Okay. Marcos.
Imaginary to you, but not the price. Drawn 2 weeks back, still hit twice. No confluence, no fib, no hype. Line too clean, like the math got sliced. Chart slow down when it near my zone. Wig tap light, then momentum gone. They thought breakout, I thought fade. I was 10 pips deep in a palisade. No reaction, I just reload. Pit clean like a fingerprint code. Line invisible, weight still known. Yo, hold these has died on a level I own. Imaginary line still print real. Price hit once and sealed the deal. You press buttons, I press steel. Chart show chaos, I just feel. Imaginary marks, no glow, no sound. Came through soft, but broke that round. They never saw, but it came back down. You call that random, I call that crown. Imaginary locks, no glow, no sound. Came through soft, but broke that round. They never saw, but it came back down. You call that random, I call that crown. I got hit at the edge of space. Line held firm like a golden brace. You saw noise, I saw math. You chase trend, I trap path. Set that level on a Weinstein napkin. Price curve back like it owed me action. Whole move died when the wick got clipped. Mad don't lie, it just flips. I don't move fast, I just set fate. Market bend on my silent weight. Chart don't fake when the edge get close. And I don't speak, just post that ghost. Imaginary line still print no sound. Came through soft, but broke that round. They never saw, but it came back down. You call that random, I call that crown. Imaginary marks, no glow, no sound. Came through soft, but broke that round. They never saw, but it came back down. You call that random, I call that crown. The wit don't lie, the chart don't ask. They think I predict, but I don't. I remember Marcos. Marcos.
so clean, it's a weapon. You buy hype, I'm testing. You chase green, I'm resting. Pull up, slow, then vanish. Fizz mapped out so lavish. 618, I vanish. You get clapped, I planned it. Body count high in the order book. One tap fade, didn't even look. Lemon fills get snatched like crooks. Stop hunts cook, just read the hooks.
That's a 4-hour coming along. Interesting. Kind of back tested that wick and immediately just went lower right after. Interesting.
Marcos got them thieves laid clean. 618 to 786, we stack mean. Orders deep like the Villa pool. Hit that wick, now we acting cool. Splash. Stack it, 618, get the light dip. Yeah, 6-6, little more grip. Low 702, add weight quick. 75 hit, I'm locked in rich. 786, that's the trap door zone. Deep, biggest order, sitting on the throne. King, wick come down, feel that line. Click, Marcos flip it, trade divine. Boom. Levels on levels, no guessing it's stacked. Auto on fills, then price react. Each retrace just fuel the load. I was try to chase, I'm already sold. Watch the math like I watch the time. Go Rolex when they touch that line. Price dip down, they screaming red. I'm getting entries. Overheads fed. 618, I'm light with ease. 6-6, yeah, I start to tease. 702, add more disease. By 7-5, I was begging please. 786, that's beast mode. Big size, feel that candle froze. Full send hit, I'm in that seat. Marcos playing this game elite. 618, get the light dip. 6-6, little more grip. 702, add weight quick. 75 hit, I'm locked in rich. 786, that's the trap door zone. Biggest order, sitting on the throne. Wick come down, feel that line. Marcos flip it, trade divine. I don't chase them, make them come.
Bum 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 bum.
Let it cold blooded clean. Fibs on screen, bad bitch rolling green. Deep field hit, then reverse insane. Rip through highs, can't tame this lane. You trade vibes, I trade domain. Blueprint built, I run this game. Stack like coke in a high rise suite. Buy so low, I resell peaks. Roomed out star roof in the race. Marco stack size, why they chase? 618, get the light dip. 6-6, little more grip. 702, add weight quick. 75 hit, I'm locked in rich. 786, that's the trap door zone. Biggest order, sitting on the throne. Wick come down, feel that line. Marcos flip it, trade divine. No emotion, just execution. Deep feels Fibonacci fusion. I'm still crying about illusion. Marcos just ran up a revolution.
They ain't believe in the vision. Mama had tears in the kitchen, now look. Mom was crying while the rent passed due. Now she counting blessings with a sky view. I was down bad, no one had a clue. Now we all good, whole crew came through. They ain't see the map, just a doubt in they face. Now I'm cruising slow in a starlit wraith. Never needed luck, I just needed some space to build it from scratch, now we floating in grace. I was in the dark with a pixel dream, trading in pain, trying to find my theme. Late night charts, steady chasing green. Mama said pray, I said watch the screen. Whole fam slept while I mapped that zone. Woke them all up when I touched that throne. Golden pocket entries, built this alone. Now we eat well, got marble and chrome. She used to cry, now her smile stay bright. I took that way, made it
I cannot wait to go home. God damn. God damn. God damn, I'm excited.
Mom was crying while the rent passed due. Now she counting blessings with a sky view. I was down bad, no one had a clue. Now we all good, whole crew came through. They ain't see the map, just a doubt in their face. Now I'm cruising slow in a starlit wraith. Never needed luck, I just needed some space to build it from scratch. Now we floating in grace. Auto-tune blessings, I let it all play. Wrote this in code, made a plan every day. Mama, don't worry, we finally okay. Math did the work, now we counting LA. Hey.
Feels good, man.
Came from the void, no echo, no cheer. Only that screen and the weight of the fear. Mama was stressing, the rain coming near. Now she in fur with the diamonds that smear. I was alone, now the feel look divine. Hesitate once and you miss the whole line. Math hit coded, don't beg to be kind. Every zone I drew came back in a line. Late nights, eyes on a candle. Stress high, bro, couldn't handle. Price running, panic, I plan. Fibonacci scale like a blade in hand. 618 like a signal from Mars. Set the order, now I'm counting the stars. Whisper said he won't go far. Now they all watch charts from luxury cars. Detached soul, I don't fold, I compute. Every feel, now a loop of the truth. Used to lose sleep from the weight of the roof. Now we high rise, math get the proof. Came from the void, no echo, no cheer. Only that screen and the weight of the fear. Mama was stressing, the rain coming near. Now she in fur with the diamonds that smear. I was alone, now the feel look divine.
Can't believe we started the stream talking about this sweep. We're just gonna get there when we have to go. God damn, god damn. God damn.
Pixel perfect when I breathe in the dark. Limit place, now the candles embark. Autumn down.
I might get it right now. Does the order book look good? Actually, I'll look over here. Look at this thing over here. Where the order book at? Where the order book at? Where the order book at? Interesting.
Set the wave, I surf, I move it. Whales get clipped when the math too ruthless. Trenches cold, but the wrist on stupid. Size get dumped, they pray, I prove it. I'm the current, they just floating lost. I hunt depths, they don't know the cost. Wick get tapped, that's blood in the sea. I got feels with a pressure peak B. They see splash, I see trap, I said it. Zone get drawn, well steps regret it. 618 like teeth embedded. I bite back when the sea look hectic. I'm in stealth, no
A lot of bids stacked up right below the price, but
blink, that's bay to grip. I just sit then pop that clip. Trend setter, I chart the swell. Pulse of the tide, I rid that well. They just swim where I cast that spell. Every reversal, I ring that bell. The wave on surf, I move it. Whales get clipped when the math too ruthless. Trenches cold, but the wrist on stupid. Size get dumped, they pray, I prove it. I'm the current, they just floating lost. I hunt depths, they don't know the cost. Wick get tapped, that's blood in the sea. I got feels where the pressure peak be. Deep sea pockets, that's where I dwell. They chase pumps, I wait and shell. Fib get marked and the trap get set. They swim loud, I move in stealth. Float through charts like I breathe that time. Bad bitch rolling wild.
I don't know if that hold up right. One big mark order on the south side and that thing's done. Dunzo.
Whole crew fed on precision zones. We hunt whales, they die long. Set the wave on surf, I move it. Whales get clipped when the math too ruthless. Trenches cold, but the wrist on stupid. Size get dumped, they pray, I prove it. I'm the current. They just floating lost. I hunt depths, they don't know the cost. Wicked tap, that's blood in the sea. I got feels where the pressure peak be. It ain't luck when the ocean bends. Just pressure. Math. Impatience. Marcos. Yes, sir. Didn't believe in her.
Shout to the math though, right? Shout to the math.
Back then they ain't care. Now my whole fam in the air. Private flights, no stairs. Golden fibs, I swear. 6-1 lounge truck, 2-tone glare. TP hit, I stare. Money talk loud, they scared. They laughed at the plan, I was forged with the fam. Used to run, stop, lost, now run the land. Backwoods field chart still in hand. Had no help, just math, no scam. Mom in Dior, niece got bands. Auntie and Benz, all from scams. Did it with skill, no boss, no chance. Price move once, I advance. Soon, I don't miss sniper mode. Money. Wick through high, that's overload. Move. Risk to reward, I drove the code. Now I'm ice while they the code. Man made millionaire. Blink, back then they ain't care. Nah, now my whole fam in the air. Private flights, no stairs. Golden fibs, I swear. 6-1 lamb truck, 2-tone glare. TP hit, I stare. Locked in. Money talk loud, they scared. Plotted in silence, counted the ticks. Late night with charts, no clicks. They mock the math, now I'm rich. Ops got wrecked, I ain't flinch. I ain't flex, just showed the path. Kept it tight, I played the math. Now my circle living like grass. Up and to the right, no cap. Fibonacci. Out of my math. They ain't believe it, now they made to read it. Marco. We fed the fam with a math.
Shout to the Fibonacci math. What time is it? 11:53. 6 minutes in this 4-hour candle, 2-hour candle, hourly candle. All kinds of candles with the print rates. Candle printing season right here. We gotta get a juice box and get out of here. How long has it been? Oh shit. Yeah, it's almost been 4 hours, damn. Today has flown by. That call took up a lot of time. Of the evening at least.
Weren't in the mud when I built my plan. Didn't see stops hit back to back. Didn't see nights that broke this man, but I rose like Wick on a news fed spike. Pressure in lungs, but the math felt right. Turned red into green, took risks with spike. Now it goes through price like a solid night. They only know the flex, but the ghosts in the games came from pain. I ain't forget. It was candlelight war, no sleep. Tears on the keys, just me and the heat. Price ran wild, I ain't retreat. Midnight lows made the eye so sweet. Now they talk racks, I bled for this. Shots got scars, yeah, I thread that stitch. Used to be pain, that's profit ticks, but they ain't there when the soul got hit. Marco. They think it's just skill, but I die for this.
Dun, 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 dun. Shout to the math. Any questions before we start to get ready to get out of here, or not? Right? Or not? Is everyone planned, prepared, ready to go for a juicy day tomorrow on the ISM drop? Already thinking about the next FOMC, right? We're not, right? We're not. We just not give a fuck. Planned, prepared, ready to go. Are they able to sweep this thing or what? Right? Right at the 4 hour or no? Or no?
Marcos. Whoa. Yeah. Ops talk, we let the charts talk back.
Fascinating.
Drill that math, boy.
Used to sleep broke, now I dream in penthouse. Math so sharp, I could carve a trend out. Charts don't lie, but my wrist too loud. Hey. Came from the red, now the green drip proud. Facts. Big bags hit like a 12 gauge pop. Lamb truck ghost when the TP drop. Talk that talk, we'll tweet, just walk. Whole life flipped off the flip and stock. I was in the dark with a crack screen glow. Facts. Facts. Drew lines once, price never said no. They laughed back then, said it's too many tools. Now they front run math and look like fool. No bot, no signal, no follow trade. Just zone to zone with the lines I lay. Now it's Birkins for an array for me. All cause the fake out set me free. Bulls went broke off opium highs. I short they dreams and I monetize. Red boxes hit like a stick in the war. And I size that lot like a brick to a door. Used to sleep broke, now I dream in penthouse. Math so sharp, I could carve a trend out. Charts don't lie, but my wrist too loud. Came from the red, now the green drip proud. Facts. Big bags hit like a 12 gauge pop. Lamb truck ghost when the TP drop. Talk that talk, we don't tweet, just walk. Whole life flipped off the fib and stock. I ain't flex, they just can't relate. Wrist 10 racks, now I sip on fate. Or the book dance when I step in the zone. Wrote my fate with a yellow line tone. Gold on the neck, that Fibonacci wave. 0.5 pounds got me paid like Brave. 618, that's a safe house crib where the ops get smoked and the charts get rigged. They post gains, I post receipts. They hit stops, I feast on beats. Marcos made, never preset cheat. This the math, this the seed of elite. Penthouse truth, from the basement dreams. Now the floor got marble, the chart got beams. Marcos.
Boom, 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 boom. Okay.
Talk less.
Do a bit of a yap, yeah? A little bit of a yapperoni. Get on out of here. Boom, 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 boom. How long has it been? Yeah, quite some time, right? Juice box? Juice box? I mean, a couple for the longs, right? I mean, first, the most immediate thing is kind of sweep the full day rotation sweep. Kind of talked about this at the start of the stream, how like this whole thing was in play, right? And now this is probably your opportunity to get into the short up there if you wanted to make into this move. Talked about that quite some time ago. Well, here we are at the end of the stream, right? About to approach the full day rotation thing. So yeah, I mean, definitely I'm sure people are gonna be entertaining this long, right? There's like hidden bull divs forming in the lower time frame, CVD hidden bull divs, blah blah blah. There's a question of like what the opening interest is looking like here, and even then, like if you're trying to get like bullish structure and orders flow, people are gonna be taking this for shout. If not, like down here somewhere, right? If people are gonna be starting to point of control down here. Plus, like keep in mind, the gap fill still remaining. Bum 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 bum. 113.7. And if not, then nothing's really changed, really, right? Like we kind of talked about a lot of liquidity being down here in this box, so I'd definitely be on the lookout for that. It's kind of like 7-5 thing. Talked about this yesterday, talked about it again today, just so we're all aware, yes. Keep that in mind. A clean, local liquidity, and a single print. What would this be? Basically like 112, 113-ish. Let's say like 113k-ish, right? And aside from that, nothing has changed from below. Whether it's here or CME. Kind of like the higher time frame levels discussed below previously. And to the upside, I mean, it's gonna be probably one of these, right? What you're gonna get into. But if you miss one of these and you're trying to get in later, probably be like a reclaim of this, or like flipping this, right? Kind of like we'll say. The only thing about this is like it's gonna depend like how we retest this, right? Because if we do this in something like that, I'd be a little bit more paranoid depending on how the data is looking. But if you get in before like this kind of sweep, then like yeah, fair game, right? But you can look for like a reclaim of both of these. Kind of leave up to you, right? Up to your risk tolerance. In terms of a short, eesh. A little late for the ideal entry. But if we start to like we backtest this before sweeping the lows, and order flow still looking pretty bearish, right? It's kind of golden pocket, daily VWAP, etc. Point of control from yesterday. Today's developing point of control. This whole volume point of control. So like a lot going on here, right? I'm sure people will be entertaining that back test if they even get it before the sweep. Assuming you get it before the sweep, that's the thing, right? I don't know if they're gonna give you this at this point. We'll leave it written on there. That's the golden pocket. plus like multiple POCs with time and volume based POCs. And if not, it'd be like a this kind of thing, right? Well, really the only difference at this point. From yesterday. Because nothing else has changed in terms of up here, nothing has changed. Like, yeah, we added the red box, we talked about this yesterday. So we'll say higher time frame levels discussed above and below previously remain unchanged, right? And we'll even do the same thing up here. And maybe we get this, right? Which end up being like one of these over here. So maybe we come back and try to clean like this high. Bearish retest like Valeria high, golden pocket, try and clean the high, this Valeria high. Should be like the top of one of the volume nodes. So yeah, we'll kind of leave that one written. Potential to attempt to clean the highs. The poor highs left behind near the PD Valeria high. So yeah, if you come back up here and there's like a strong supply, then yeah, and another like valid short opportunity, right? For continuation lower and end up just doing one of these. On top of the one we already talked about earlier. Ding, ding, ding. What a curiosity. That should do it, right? Kind of cover everything from above and from below in both directions, longs and shorts. Cover everything that we've talked about previously. Good enough. Good enough. In terms of the alts, I'm gonna be watching what happens down here, and then maybe get into an ETH thing. Cause we're still in a Solana and Bitcoin. We're multiple Bitcoin trades, and we're in the Solana one still. So yeah, depending on what happens down here, we'll consider kind of adding to some of those or opening some more alt trades. We'll see. If it happens relatively soon, I might catch it. But if it happens in the middle of the night, probably gonna miss it. Because I'm gonna be awake for maybe like an hour or so, but after that, sheesh, out of here. Going to hitting the hay. But anyways, now that that's done, let's do a quick chat shutdown out here. I'm tired, and you get some sleep. Where's this thing? Shout out to Guy. Just, put us onto some Batman game. Shout out to our twin, right? Marcos Hueytron, out from Florida. That was it, I believe, correct? Yes. Okay, amazing. Pretty chill stream, saying nothing really going on in terms of volatility. And I had to lay up on the phone for a bit, so we kind of missed out on some potential yap sessions here, but that's okay. Not the most exciting of weeks ahead, I suppose, right? Kind of just a bit of an unwind, the chill out, decompression after FOMC. But next week, when we start to get a lot more stuff coming in again, right? Economic activity picks up in terms of the calendar. Excited for that. We still have some earnings this week, though, right? Keep in mind as well. Along with some other important data coming out, but we'll worry about that when we get there, right? Well, for now, we'll call it a night. We'll leave it there. We'll let the story continue tomorrow, as usual. We'll be back again, as usual, at the usual time, 8 p.m. Eastern or so. And yeah, stay safe, don't get got. Hope everybody has an amazing night. But I'm out of here. Time to call it a night. Later, 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 later. Don't get got. Later, later.